Hey, hey, what is up, everybody? What is up? How are we doing? We are finally green. Oh my gosh, we are finally green. All right, real quick, I'm just gonna write something here because I did not get time to really fast. All right, there we go. We got green. We got green. Oh my gosh, finally. Well, we'll see if it stays. Hoping those unemployment figures just released are the catalyst for a swing to tech, or at least some stability. Yay for great market news. Yeah, there was also a SEC report yesterday, I believe. I should have pulled it up, but there's a report out there that basically shows how over leveraged funds are. Audio is good right now, I think. I hope. But yeah. Let me get the economic. Let me get that economic calendar pulled up. Yeah, we finally got a little hope for today. Yep. So far, we'll see if we can hold or if it's a total fake out. Wouldn't that be so depressing? I mean, that could easily happen. We'll see. I don't think it will, but it could certainly happen. JMIA is running. Good morning, my friend. Good morning, everybody. How's everyone doing? It's such a great day. We got green. I'm so happy. All right, Friday we got. So unemployment was a little worse. Average hourly earnings is a little better, I think. And non-farm. Okay, so nothing really crazy. Yeah, I think this was the thing. Yeah, let me click on this. Is this the thing that I was? Fed financial stability. Okay, let me see. I think this might have been the thing I was talking about. No, I can't find it. All right. Anyways. Yeah, man. Yeah, we got green, boys. We'll see what happens today. Hopefully we get some fun stuff today. We'll see. It's looking like it could be a nice day, especially considering. Okay, it's green now. When I was looking at it earlier, the Russell was red in the pre-market. We had green and it's gone. Yeah, we got green right now. We'll see. We'll see if we can keep it up. Oxygen, yeah, I saw that. Oxygen is getting absolutely annihilated, man. A lot of people are losing money on that today. A lot of people getting killed. Wow, I didn't know they got killed yesterday too. Wow. All the way back down close to where you started. GG for the Oxygen people. GG. Oh, man. Yeah, we'll see what happens today. Also, the bond yields are actually down again today, which is just more. You guys have heard my spiel on. Everyone's heard my spiel on why the Nasdaq is undervalued right now. Why I'm not selling anything right now. But you know what? What I'm gonna to spice this stream up today a little bit. I'm gonna do a live. I'm gonna add some shares of BioNano. I think I don't have much buying power. I have like none, but you know, it's better than nothing, I guess. So. You don't lose money until you sell. Yes, that's exactly right, my friend. Paper losses, guys. Paper losses. Oh, yeah, and I have to say this as well. For all the people who are, like, getting mad, like, oh, BioNano sucks. I don't like holding. Brandon, you're leading us off a cliff. Like, all right, now is your time to get out. Like, we have green. Get out now if you're going to be one of those people that doesn't know what they're doing. Have a plan or get out of the market. Or at least get out. Or at least stop bringing your complaining to me. Stop putting that on me, please. Let's see how Bitcoin's doing today. Man, Bitcoin is just hanging out. Okay, I've got actually. You know what? Let me just address this right now before market opens. We've got quite a while. We got 27 minutes or 17 minutes until market opens. So I want to talk about a lot of people thinking that we have a bear market right now, and a lot of people thinking there's going to be an S&P 500 correction. Yeah, I want to talk about both those things. So first, I want to go over the bear market crap. So a lot of people are saying nowadays, for some reason, every time when everything goes down, everyone's like, "Oh no!" And this happened. This exact same thing happened back here. I remember it. I'm sure you guys do too. When the market goes down, people start freaking out. People start thinking that it's going to be a bear market forever. Like literally, everyone thought it was a bear market when we were in this downtrend right here. Now we're starting one again, and everyone's like, "We're not going to see a bull market till October." That's fine if you think that. It's just dumb as hell. It's batshit crazy. I mean, we are in an aggressive bull market macroscopically. There's no doubting that. Just look at the chart, man. As long as we stay above this ascending level, there's no doubt. There's zero doubt that we are in one of the most aggressive, if not the most aggressive bull markets in history. And as long as we have this trend, you are a fool to go to crypto over stocks completely, or at least right now. I think in my opinion, right? And someone saw, and I saw a Reddit post yesterday that was asking, I think it was asking people why not go to crypto when it's having the biggest, most aggressive bull market ever? Why not? Stocks are all down. Why not? This is why, boys. This is why you don't want to sell, right? And this is why you may want to consider holding the bag for a little while, having the diamond hands a little longer. This is why our stonks, the stonks only go up thing, disregard that. The stocks we have right now are oversold. They're fundamentally undervalued. Why would you sell that to go into an overextended crypto market and just FOMO in some Doge or something? It doesn't make sense, guys. It doesn't. I mean, if you're going to go in Mara and play Bitcoin, all right, that's another thing. But if you're going to do Doge, I mean, what? I mean, what do you're just, in my opinion, you're basically gambling at that point. You know, if you want to do that for some fun, all right, dude, go for it, whatever. But it's just not. It's not smart. It's not fundamentally smart, in my opinion, you know, at least right now. You know, if you're in crypto and Doge right now, or you were before, that's great, that's amazing. But selling these stocks right now at these low levels to go and buy in at you know, the Bitcoin levels and the crypto levels, it's not smart, in my opinion. It's not smart. Yes, pulling money from growth stocks and putting it into crypto. Yes, exactly. It's in the bull market when the crypto. Yeah, Danny, that's a lot of people are switching to crypto right now. Yes, a lot of them have. That is part of it. Absolutely. Yes, exactly. They will go to growth stocks again. People are going to be real. People, it's going to be fun. It's going to be. I cannot wait till the sector rotation back into high growth, because you know it's coming. It happened last time we got a brutal correction. It's going to happen again. It's just a matter of time. I mean, this is where the true value lies. So it's just a matter of time. For me, I think so. Microvision holding, BNGO holding. Nano Dimension getting a lot of volume pre-market. Did they get some news? Let's see what they got. No, they didn't get anything. If there's any JMIA shareholders today, I would love to talk about what happened yesterday. It was absolutely insane what happened yesterday. They had like Citron came out and talked about a buyout for JMIA. It was absolutely insane. Yeah, we were like 5% in the red now, and then we went green, and then we ended barely red. They will come back to the growth stocks when that ends. Yes, they will. Then we will all get pumped, going to get pumped to all-time highs. Yes, I agree. I think that's going to happen. Crypto is going to dump when people realize the market is not going to crash. Yes. I need to talk about that too. So the bear market thing, right? Okay, so you guys heard it here first. This is not debatable. We are not in a bear market right now. Macroscopic, like, I mean, if you want to be like super short-term outlook, yeah, we're in a bear market. Dude, expand your lens a little bit, like zoom out a little bit, dude. We are in the most aggressive bull market in history, basically. I mean, yeah, let's be honest, this is the most aggressive bull market in history. Yes, literally, right now we are in it. This is why it's like a once in a lifetime opportunity, kind of, to get in stonks, man. And crypto is great too. You may say crypto is amazing. Crypto is at all-time highs. The NASDAQ is not. Our stocks are nowhere near it. I mean, these stocks have a while to go until all-time highs. So ask yourself, is it smart to go and sell these guys, cut losses there, and then dump into Doge and hope you go up? No, it's not. It's not smart. It's not. There is no objection to that, you know? Yeah, and for the market crash, people, yeah, I don't know why we've got so many people lately that are thinking it's going to be a bear market for the next 5 months. I don't understand. I mean, we're not even. I mean, the same thing. I understand that some people are like, I don't know, their hope is gone or something. But there's no real reasoning unless you think inflation is going to single-handedly tear the market apart. I mean, I don't think. Regardless of what happens with inflation, it's not gonna. I don't know if it's gonna be enough to freaking stop the bull market. I don't know about that, especially when crypto and the crypto people start coming back, and when the hedges stop over leveraging the short stuff after earnings. That's what they've been doing. The hedges have been shorting like crazy. They've been shorting their asses off. So when that stops, you know what's gonna happen. You know what's going to happen. And I don't want to be the person that goes into Doge right before that and misses out. You know how bad that would suck? It's going to suck for a lot of people. Every year there's FUD about the market crashing. Yep. Yes, sir. Yeah, that is exactly right. But if we look at February, both crypto and shares were at all-time high. I'm not so sure they are related. Crypto and stocks are a little bit related. I didn't say they were super related or not. I don't know really where you're getting. I don't know. Yeah, during February they weren't. Well, wait a second. Bitcoin wasn't at all-time highs compared to now at February 16th, was it? Well, I mean, back then, yeah, but it wasn't. Yeah, crypto and the markets, they're related a little bit. They're definitely related. There's definitely a little bit of tether. You can't have Bitcoin going up to 1 million while the Nasdaq stays where it is. That's impossible, because people with Bitcoin, they will sell because it's more profitable, more auspicious to go into the stocks that are undervalued compared to holding Bitcoin when it's overextended at 99 on the RSI. So yeah, there's 100% some correlation and tether between crypto and the markets. There's at least some. That's no doubt. Good morning, boys. How are y'all doing? Been holding 20K shares BioNano since December before I found your channel. Thank you for providing great info here. Thank you so much, my friend. That means a lot to me. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. Fellow bag holders. Good morning, man. Good morning. Hey, you gotta embrace what you are. Right now, we're bag holders. Yep, we are bag holders right now. At least I am. Well, yeah, I'm down. I'm not like bag holding, like 20% down. I don't think. Well, am I? Oh, never mind. I'm 22% down right now on BioNano. Yeah. Well, good morning. Good morning, bag holding team. Let's go. Yep, we're bag holding. Oxygen's still getting killed. SENS. Man, SENS still not moving at all. This is an auspicious buy right now. It's not really. I would like it to go a little bit lower. You know, I don't like the fact that it was lower right here than what it is now. But yeah, SENS, man. If you believe in their product, this one could be a really revolutionizing one. Definitely, this one could take a lot of the share of the huge diabetics market, I think. Nano Dimension doing really well right now. It's about time. It's about time. This stock has gotten even more killed than BioNano. Yeah, literally, this one has gotten killed more than BioNano. How oversold are we? Let's see. We're not even that bad. That's bull. That is bull. So undervalued right now. Oh my gosh, already at 41 just because of that small bounce. Yeah, Nano Dimension is seriously undervalued right now. Look at that sell-off, man. Imagine if you bought in at February 16th. Imagine if you bought into high growth. I said that yesterday, but oh my gosh, that would suck. Can you check if the Nasdaq is under the band when it opens? Of course, my friend. Of course. Of course, we're going to be checking this. Yes. So right now, so I'm going to keep it on the deviation of 20 and 2. You can use either. I typically use 21 and 3 for the SMA and the bands and the length, the width and length, or whatever you want to call it. But if you keep it at 20 and 2, it's great too, because it's almost the same thing. Plus, you have obviously only one other time that the Nasdaq is doing this since 2018. So it's been a while since we've had anything as bad as this. Yeah, but we'll see what it opens up to. My guess, what are the futures looking like right now? Let me check the futures real quick. They're probably pretty green, I'm guessing. Let's see. Oh, wow, Nasdaq is very green. Okay. Yeah, Nasdaq's up 1% of the futures. All right. Yeah, we'll see what happens, but we're definitely not going to be under that bottom band. Yeah, no, we're not gonna be. There's no way. We didn't. Oh yeah, and by the way, I need to talk. I have not talked about this because yesterday we didn't. Obviously, we had to end it in the morning. Obviously, okay. So yeah, we actually didn't get. Actually, I need to correct myself earlier. I said it was the first time this since 2018. Actually, right now it's not, because we only got 2 daily closes. Remember, the red candles, they open at the top, close at the bottom. Green candles open at the bottom, close at the top. So we only got 2 daily closes, but at the time of filming yesterday, the stream yesterday, we were closing below. Well, we were trying to close below. Now we didn't, right? So this is why yesterday I said, when we were down all those, I just said, I mean, yes, I've been wrong. I mean, yeah, I'm not perfect. Okay, the account has got absolutely annihilated the last few days, the last few weeks. I mean, since February 16th, yes. But you guys already know, I'm not bragging here, but I mean, we were exactly right. The Bollinger Bands, it's a hard indicator to beat. It's one of my favorite indicators. And I said, as we were down, obviously, I said, you are foolish to sell right now. I am holding. I added a ton of JMIA shares this morning. I don't know everything. I'm not a genius. I'm not a wizard, but that was exactly right. And the Bollinger Bands, that's why I knew. And today is not going to be as easy to predict, because there's not as clear of an indication and with the price action in relation to the Bollinger Bands. Right now, we're going to be, what are we going to be at? 1% up. We're going to be like, I don't know, somewhere in here. So we're going to be approaching a major resistance level. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens, my friends. We've got plenty of room to run. If the hedges start covering, there's going to be tendencies for everyone if they decide they're done shorting the crap out of the market, because this sell-off has literally been, now I think based on the recent report we got from the SEC, it is hedges shorting and over leveraging like an insane amount. Yeah. Yes, jobs report was awful. I know, I saw that. Let's see what the stats were exactly. What was it? It was we added unemployment rate climb. Yeah, unemployment rate climbed to 0.3%, and 1 million. Oh my gosh! Wow, we only added 266,000 payrolls. 1 million was expected. Oh my gosh, that is the worst I've seen in a while. Yeah. Leroy Jenkins. Leroy buried Black Ops 2. Anyone get the reference? Do we have any Black Ops people in here? Probably not. I don't know. All right, let's see what we got. Market opens in 5 minutes. Don't let me forget when the market opens, because I'll go on a tangent or something and I'll just not even realize the market is about to open. Don't let me do that, boys. Yeah, they expected 1 million jobs. Yeah, exactly. And we only got 266,000. That's rough, man. Also, bond yields are down, boys. Bond yields are down. The market has the market wants to run. The market is primed to run right now. I mean, the bonds have been decreasing since April 29th, and the market has been doing just that. So, we should see a return to the normal at some point. It's going to happen, right? I mean, I've been talking on the Bollinger Bands with NASDAQ. I've been telling you guys, every time you touch that bottom band, every single time you get a return to that 21-day SMA, which is the middle Bollinger Band. It happens every time. It's just sometimes it takes a week, sometimes it takes a few days. It happens though. Look, okay, here's your first example. Boom. Second, boom. Third, boom. Okay, fourth, boom. Every single time, man. Every time. It's just sometimes it takes a little bit, but this is when you want to be buying the dip, in my opinion. We can definitely hit this ascending level of support. Definitely could. Black Ops was the best. Black Ops 3 was actually my favorite. Wow, I lost like 7 viewers while I said that. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't leave, boys. Don't leave. We're going to be cutting. Market opens in 3 minutes, boys. 3 minutes. Straight in buying more today. I'm gonna do some live trades. Well, I shouldn't say trades, but I'm gonna do some live adding, which is technically a trade. For BioNano, I think. So to spice it up a little bit, and I've got some buying power. So yeah. Maybe we'll do that. BioNano is a little bit bleeding in this. What do you think after the double top on the NASDAQ then? Reversal pre-market is following your prediction, you freaky genius. We'll see if it holds, man. We'll see. With the fear in the crypto and the shorts literally doing their worst to every high growth stock and big cap, high cap stock recently. If they're not done yet, they could still push us lower, but the bonds are down. We got that horrible jobs report, but let's be honest. Okay, let's be honest about the jobs report, guys. No one cares about the jobs report. Okay, every time we get a good jobs report, the market goes down. Like, it's literally the exact opposite. No one gives a crap essentially about the jobs report. It seems. But that's a good question. Let me go to the NASDAQ here. So what do I think? What do I think after the double top then? Reversal. Okay, so basically it is a double top, and yeah, the realistic price target, right? I'm not drawing anything up, but I'm just telling you the realistic price target is going to be this ascending level, which we basically want to hold sideways so we can get a natural, like a natural bounce without having to get down on it. We want to just go sideways and then get that bounce, then continue higher, break out, confirm the all-time highs. Then we're going to consistently be new all-time highs compared to current all-time highs for the next few months. That's what we want. But if we look at my, let's see, where do I have my, yeah, okay, here we go. So if we look at the average stock market returns by month, this is something that we're going to have to take into account. Right now we're in May, right? May just started. And a lot of people have been saying like, oh, it's May, let's sell out. No, this is not true. This is not true to me, because look at this chart. Okay, average, May is one of the best months. Look, third best month. May is the third best month for the stock market. So I'm not selling. I'm not selling because of this, okay? Now, when we come into June, you may want to take a little bit off the top. That's the third worst month. When we get into July, that's basically when you get to the point where it's like, and of course, this is only one indicator, but I'm gonna get back to your question, my friend. But this month, let's screw this, okay? Probably people don't even want to care about this. Basically, for whatever reason, right? I can explain my reasoning if you want, but I do think we're gonna get a break above all-time highs for the NASDAQ before the end of May. I would say that's likely. And of course, inflation, Biden tax, crappy tax bill, right? That crappy thing. We got that thing to deal with. Headwinds. Those bond yields. Earnings, I guess, if you can even consider that. No one cares about earnings anymore, I guess. Earnings is just, they're bad regardless. So all these things can kind of screw up my prediction. But yeah, I think the NASDAQ, I think we're bullish for the rest of the May at least. And even though June is like, we're flat, if the market goes flat, and of course, this is just the average monthly stock market returns. Not every year, not every month is going to be what it is here, of course, my friends. You guys already know it's 1980 to 2018. But this is what it typically is. And this is a very strong indication for what's going to happen, I think. So I hope that answers your question. Oh, market opens in 1 minute. Oh my gosh, I told you I would forget. Oh, we barely caught that. All right, JMIA. Let's see what happens, boys. Oh, this is so stressful. At least we can suffer together if it's carnage. Oh no, BioNano's bleeding. No, not again. Come on. Oh man, this is nerve-wracking. My heart is pounding. JMIA is bleeding a little bit. Let's see what the markets are opening up to. Let me get the Nasdaq 1 minute here. Oh no. Oh, I hate that. That is rough. No. We don't want that. Other way. Go the other way. Go up, Nasdaq. Come on. Nano Dimension is bleeding like hell. Should Bitcoin. Bitcoin's bleeding as well. Everything is selling off a little bit right now. A little bit of it's profit taking right out the gate. Let's see what happens. Let's see if this is a fake out. Hopefully it is. Hopefully we're faking out that we're shaking out the weak hands, heading to the promised land right now for the day. We got our first red one. No. Oh man. Is anyone else pretty nervous right now? I'm pretty nervous right now. Although I think there's a really good chance that this is a really good day. I think there is a really good chance for that. But we are not as auspicious as we were yesterday, right? Yesterday was a better buy zone, NASDAQ-wise, than today, because the bands, right? Let's get it. Let's get an F in the chat. Oh man, JMIA's holding that nicely. Let's go, JMIA. Let's go. Come on, boys. Let's do this. BNGO back to 2%. Yes, we'd like to see it. Also, BNGO, I want to talk about the daily here. So we are right now at a level of resistance right now. I would say we are likely to get rejected, but here's the thing. We are super oversold and fundamentally undervalued. So I don't really care about this. I'm kind of just neglecting that because, yeah, I'll add there, bro. I think we're going to break out. It's just a matter of time before we break out. So, relax, you'll be fine. This is the up and away day for BNGO. Oh, I hope you're right. So BNGO is pushing right now. Finally, Tesla going for a little bit of a dipsy. Is that what you said? Yeah, Microvision is a sell. What? My friend, you are wrong. You are wrong, my friend. No. I have 100 BNGO portfolio. Oh, man. All right, there you go. I hope you did your due diligence, my friend. If BioNano is 100% of the portfolio, we really hope you did. That is potentially very good, though. It's potentially very good. ARKG is up 2%. Really? Okay. Well, I don't have them on a watch list here, I believe. So I'll just have to take your word on that because that would take me like 30 seconds to look up. Yeah, pretty boring market open so far. Let's see. Still bleeding, my friend. Okay, no, we got to bounce. Okay, so we're bouncing. Nasdaq is bouncing. Let me get the Nasdaq up here in the 1 minute. Let's get this bad boy up here. So we are holding a little bit. Oh, very overextended on the 1 minute Bollinger Band, though. We do not like to see that. We want to see the Nasdaq start trading sideways for a little bit before we start going up for a run higher. It's going to be too far too fast if we do potentially. Brandon, fix the stocks. Oh, man. I so wish I could, man. Oh, man. Clean Spark, 4% up and earnings today, guys. I don't think I'm not a Clean Spark guy, my friend. I'm not a Clean Spark or a I don't know, that kind of sector kind of guy, but yeah, good luck for that if you are in that stock, my friend. Yeah, we've got MP just missed on, or no, they beat earnings. Yeah, they beat their actual was 13 cents. Their estimated was 5 cents. So they did well. Microvision, man. Nasdaq is holding. Yeah, I would not be surprised if we either hold this where we are now or go up for the day, or or we can get more carnage. I mean, I'm not as confident in saying we're going to go up from here today as opposed compared to yesterday, right? Compared to yesterday when we were streaming, because the Bollinger Band, we're just not as good. You know, we're just not as good on the Bollinger Band. Let's check the Bollinger Band on the daily. Okay, you see what I mean? We're at a level of resistance here now. We're way past the bottom band here, so we've still got more room to grow than dump. But still not as auspicious buying in now as it was yesterday. But still, these stocks are still super undervalued. Obviously, JMIA is bleeding, BNGO is bleeding a little bit. Oh man, BNGO is getting rejected at that level. Hate to see it. Hate to see it. What's the next catalyst for BNGO, my friend? The next catalyst is gonna be May 13th. Oh my gosh, BNGO is about to go red. No. No, boys. Come on, pump the stock. Pump it. Dump it. No, I'm kidding. Don't dump it. CTXR bleeding. RIOT, Mora going red. Everything's kind of selling off right now. Zoma's doing well. Zoma's at 84 cents. My gosh. Oxygen doing horrible still. No dip buyers there. It looks like TLRY. Weed stocks are finally doing something. That's interesting. Okay, so that looks like that. The cannabis and weed sector doing very well today. MP still holding up really nice. That's the only thing that's really holding up. I guess Nano Dimension a little bit. BNGO's volume did just pick up significantly. Nano Dimension was doubling BNGO's volume. Now we have BNGO's beating it. So that is something to keep in mind. Boganoff, yes, dump it, yes. I love those memes. They're so funny. I love them. I don't even get the references, but they're so funny. Yo, Brandon, pump Microvision. All right, boys, everybody buy Microvision right now. No, I'm kidding. As if that would even do anything. Let's be honest. We have like zero. Typically we have 0 viewers. You know what I mean? Let's see. JMIA is doing well. Let's see the Nasdaq. Let's see that Nasdaq. Let's check that 1 minute chart. We're getting okay. Nice. Nasdaq is holding. This is exactly what we want to see. So when you get overextended on that band, you want to go sideways or get a quick retracement down to that 21 SMA. And then continue to move higher. But we're just consolidating right now in the Nasdaq. Love to see that. That's a very bullish sign. You are going to be a little overextended on the 1 minute chart. You're going to be looking at 85. If we look at the 30 minute chart, let's see the indicators here. Okay, we still got okay, 61. How are we at 61 on the 30 minute? Okay, it's because it's hourly. Okay, 53, 4 hourly. We better not be anything. Oh my, how are we at 44 already? We barely moved. Oh my gosh. All right. Let's see if we got any flips. Here. Here we go, hourly. All right, boys, here we go, hourly. We got a bullish flip on the Nasdaq. Hourly chart, we just got that super trend bullish flip. Love to see it. Ooh, BNGO. That's a pleasant surprise. All right, boys, let me say now before everyone leaves here, get out of the stock market right now. If you're going to get mad at me and start complaining to me if BNGO doesn't go to 100 tomorrow, okay? Most of the people are shaken out at this point and already have left, but there's still people that think I'm sending you off the cliff or something, leading you off a cliff. Because I'm holding right now, right? I'm not taking profits right now. Are you kidding me? I'm not taking profits right now. Of course, we can go down. Okay, but please take profits right now. Get the hell out of the stock market if you don't know what you're doing and if you don't have a plan, and do your due diligence. You do your due diligence too as well. Binance volume picking up significantly. Well, kind of significantly. Kind of. Microvision's got no volume on the day. That's interesting. But Brandon, you said I'd be a millionaire. Hey, Auspicious, you're smarter. Just need a something. I don't know what that is, my friend. Dude, holding 100. Okay, is that 1 million? I can't see that. That's 1 million, right? Yeah, that's 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay. BNGO 3%. 3%, boys. Let's go. We got green. Wait, didn't you say BNGO will go up to 1K today? Oh man, you guys are too funny. Everyone's a comedian. The stock market community, we're all so memeified, We're all memeified at this point. I love it. And that's not even really a meme, but that's awesome. Just relax and realize very few companies this transparent. That's damn sure. That's damn right. That is definitely true. I agree. BioNano is very transparent, although just a few days ago we had that SEC filing that granted them the right to keep information from the public for like another 4 years or 3 years, so that's not very transparent. But no, seriously though, but besides that, they're very transparent. Yes, BioNano is very transparent. Great marketing team, PR team is great. I'm really excited for the May 13 earnings, man. You guys better watch my stream and not the other two BNGO YouTubers. I am going to be the best. Humble, okay. Disregard my arrogance, okay? I better see y'all there. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited for the May 13th earnings. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a great time, my friends. BNGO to the moon. Call me crazy for holding 20 BNGO, $7. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, that is gonna be crazy, my friend. 13 days. Yeah, Brian, my friend, good luck. I wish you the best of luck, my friend. I hope you are profitable on that. I hope that flips green. BNGO going up 10% today. Oh man, 10% today. We certainly should. But the market's conclusion to BioNano's value is not the same as mine. So that's unfortunate, but that is the truth. Microvision pushing right now. JMIA is holding 3%. Love it. Nano Dimension doing well. BioNano volume still holding above Nano Dimensions. Love to see it. Microvision's volume, Microvision doesn't have much volume right now. Let's check some other stocks. Bitcoin, everything's kind of pushing right now. Pretty much everything. Oh, wow. Okay, I see why. Let's check that 1 minute chart. Oh, my. The NASDAQ is back. And where is Robbie Smith today? He is nowhere. Where is he now? Robbie Smith, are you there? I would give you a lot of respect for coming in when you're losing. I would love that. By the way, Robbie Smith, if you didn't know, he's the guy who says BioNano is going to be $3 a share by May 20th or 21st, I think he said. So he's got like 13 days. He thinks BioNano is going to be worth $3 then in like 10 days. So is this linking up with the big ass cup and handle with BNGO? Well, my friend, here's the thing. I don't want to get you guys too excited. Oh, Microvision. Oh, Microvision's going. See, the volume is all Microvision needs, and then it just goes. It's just Wall Street bets coming in. MP is bleeding right now. Very interesting. MP holds when the market goes sideways, but goes down when it goes up. Interesting. MP has always been a weird one as far as correlation to the NASDAQ and everything. They have always been weird. JMIA is doing well. BioNano's holding. Love to see it. Let's see if BioNano is above that resistance right now. So yeah, we want to close the day above where we are right now to break out of this resistance level, turn it as a new support. But yeah, is this linking up for the big ass cup and handle, my friend? So everyone, pay attention here. Big ass cup and handle, right? For BioNano, this whole cup and handle, this is the first half of the cup. The other half would go something like this, and then the price would be like 25, right? And we would be at 25 before the end of the year, right? That's what this would be, because this cup and handle is only like what, 3 months, the first half of it. Technically it does line up, but my friends, we are so far away from making this an actual cup and handle. I don't want to hype that up. I really don't. But technically, yes, you have a potential huge ass cup and handle potentially on the daily chart if you zoom out. Yes. So I'll say that. Nano Dimension is gone. Okay, Nano Dimension just is beating BioNano in volume. Okay, that's good for Nano, bad for BioNano. Microvision holding up there. JMIA is pushing a little bit. Let's check Oxygen. Oxygen's still getting killed. That's crazy. Dip buying opportunity. If you guys like Oxygen as a play, I mean, this may be your chance. Let's see how oversold you are. Oh wow, you're not even that oversold at all. Oh my gosh. Never mind. You're not even that auspicious. You're not at that auspicious of a buy right now, according to these indicators. So I'll be very careful with Oxygen. Yeah, even on the hourly, you're not looking that great. I mean, you're looking okay, but yeah, but be careful with that one. I would say BNGO is struggling to keep up there. We closed BNGO at 720 today. Oh, that'd be nice. My friends. Sell Microvision. Has there ever been other huge cup and handles for other stocks? Yes, there has. Absolutely. How often does a stock do a huge cup and handle? I don't know. It's not super common. I don't know. It can definitely happen. BioNano, we can definitely do that. I think BioNano's future is going to be more rocky, not as in more bearish than the cup and handle would imply, but more rocky than a smooth little nice cup right there, just 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't think it's going to be that. It's going to be this. It's going to be going up, going down, going up, and eventually we're going to get to where we want to go. But it's going to be more harsh than the cup and handle chart pattern would imply. Be careful of anyone who's telling you the big ass cup and handle is like for sure, because it's only 1/3 of the cup and handle. You guys have to be careful with the BNGO subreddits. People don't know what the hell they're doing on there. They do not know what the hell they're doing, man. Be careful of the subreddits, man. There's great information, but there's also horrible information. Looking at the NASDAQ here, perfect rejection on that top band, heading back down to test that 21 SMA potentially. Let's check the RSI. We're at okay, good. We're cooling down 67. Love it. All right, it's looking like the Nasdaq wants to is priming itself for another run. Actually, right now we're gonna have heavy support at this 21 SMA. Perfect convergence there almost with a couple different indicators. Love it. Love to see it. Let's check the 2 hourly. See if we got any flips to bullish on the 2 hourly. Let's check these. Okay, boom. We got it. We're getting all kinds of bullish confirmation. I'm not trying to hype it up. I'm not trying to be like, okay, buy now. This is your confirmation play. No. Playing the breakout is very hard. We are at a nice level of resistance right now, but at the same time we got that bullish flip on the 2 hourly right now. Parabolic SAR. So if we hold where we are right now, that's your buy signal. According to this, I'm not saying it's a buy signal. I'm just saying this indicator, that's a buy signal according to this indicator, not according to me. So yes, it looks like, are we pushing right now? Oh my gosh, the Nasdaq. Yeah, we are. I did say we were primed for a run, did I not? Oh man, I did not expect it to come this quick, but we will see. We'll see what happens. If you do not know what you're doing, and if you hate the red every day, just sell now and spare me your insolence, my friends. BioNano struggling to stay up there. JMIA holding. Microvision got a ton of volume now, just a little bit of a spike, and now the volume is way higher. And wow, BioNano's volume, there's no volume. BioNano has no volume right now. NanoDimension doing well. MP doing nothing still. Let's check the other ones. Let's check what we got. SENS moving finally. The high growth sector seems to be the one that is kind of picking it up since what was it, like 5-10 minutes after the bell, everything started picking up. TLRY, okay, weed stocks doing well still. Let me see how the big boys are doing. Twitter, Apple, and Facebook. See, this is what I kind of expected. The high cap stocks are kind of they're kind of slow. They're kind of slow right now in the sector that we like. The high growth, the tech stocks, low cap ones, they are kind of picking it up right now. That's what I'm seeing. GameStop, AMC. Okay, that's just a whole nother world that we're not even going to get into. I can't even comment on these. I don't know enough about them. But they are doing okay right now. ARCG is up 3%. Wow. Dropbox, SENS. ARCs are doing very well today. See, when ARC does well, that's typically a really good indication for how we do. The high growth sector, that's kind of what we have. Yeah, they said they are partnering with PLTR to regulate the crypto market. Don't follow the pump, follow the volume. That is quiet, but price rising. Did you YOLO into BNGO? No, I did not YOLO into BNGO. No, my friend, I am bag holding right now, but no, I did not YOLO in. No, I did the 74-page document due diligence, and I decided this was an investment that is once in a lifetime opportunity, and I'm in. I'm all in. I'm going down with the ship, or I'm gonna be the next deep F in value potentially. Not really. I shouldn't say that's a little bit too much maybe, but you know what I mean. Microvision selling off a little bit. Everything's kind of taking a cool down. Okay, let's see the Nasdaq kind of. Okay, Nasdaq got rejected. Okay, yeah, I want to see. I would love to see the Nasdaq break through today. I said when we were up here, I said this is going to be the level, a very strong support level. We broke right through it because Janet Yellen and everything else. What is that? JHK. I don't know what I'm looking at there. That's cool. Thank you, my friend. That's awesome. I love the ambition. Will these high growth stocks still continue to drop? Well, I'm trying to figure out what this W is. That a different type of currency? I don't understand. I'm so confused. Someone explain to me what that is. Not a lot, but research deserves praises. Is that a different type of currency? I'm so confused. Thank you, my friend. I think I should be saying thank you right now. I'm such a YouTube newbie. I don't know what I'm doing. That's what I thought. Thank you, my friend. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. Will those high growth stocks still continue to drop? No. Will they continue to drop? That's a great question, my friend. I think they're very undervalued right now. So I think they're very undervalued. I think it depends on the Nasdaq, but I think you know what? Here, I'll say this. This is a good way to answer. The next few months, I will say high growth is going to see a huge rebound. Next few months, definitely. 2 months from now, 3 months from now, I think high growth is going to be back to its February 16th levels, or at least very close to it. If not in all-time highs, new all-time highs. Yeah, Russell 2000 is pushing. Everything's doing well right now. Dow Jones, S&P 500. See, this is what we want. We want the Nasdaq doing well, Russell doing well, S&P 500, screw you. We don't care about the S&P. Dow Jones, screw you. We don't care about the Dow. We want, and pro shares, yeah, we want this to die. We want this to burn. The UVSY, burn. Yeah. So that's what we want. What's up, my friend? Yeah, I was so confused. I've never seen that currency. Okay, thank you. So I was so confused. I was like, "What? Wait, am I seeing this wrong?" My eyes are not very good, and the screen is like relatively far away. So I was so confused. But thank you, my friend. Thank you. BNGO to 50 low. Yeah, if BNGO gets to 50, you guys are taking me to a steak dinner, because so many people have told me that if BioNano hits 20 or 100 or 50 or whatever, that's what's gonna happen. I'm just messing around. Microvision doing well right now. CTXR doing. See, this is why I said earlier. This is why I said that it's cool to wait. You know, I love the company. It's a news-driven company, so I always have been saying if you're going to buy, please do the research and please know the risks with this one. But I took profits all the way up here. That's why I only have 2 shares right now. You know, I have like $2. There's like what, $3. I don't know where I'm going to re-enter right now. But I would love if we could get all the way down here. It's a little bit under $2, and then if we can get to this support level right here, that's your load zone in my opinion. It's a great company. CTXR is a great company, man. BNGO up 4%. Yeah, BNGO boys, let's go. We're finally getting some green. Where is Robbie Smith? Where is Robbie? You know what? I'm gonna chat something right now. Where is Robbie Smith? I'm gonna pin it right now. Where is Robbie Smith? So then when he comes in later, if he comes in after the stream or whatever, he'll see it. There we go. Let's check the yields while we're over here. We'll just check the yields. Still staying down. Love it to see it. Yeah, what we want for BioNano today, what we want is it to stay above roughly 3%, so we can at least break out and confirm the breakout above the descending resistance level. That's what we want. Man, all this green is so nice to see. Isn't it so nice to see green? BNGO hits 20. I'll name my first kid after you. Oh man. Robbie Smith is crying right now. Yeah, he is. Yeah, I want everyone to know that there are just some trolls, and this proves it to you. At least short term. You know, BNGO technically can still hit $3 in 13 days. Are you kidding me? I don't know. That's a crazy prediction. I can't believe he made that. And he got so lucky with, Nasdaq going down, perfect timing, total luck. He kind of got a little bit of a beginner's luck, maybe, or he's gonna be right. We don't know for sure. We don't know. Who knows? $3. Maybe he's gonna kill the CEO. Maybe he's gonna shoot him in the head. That's what we've been saying, right? Maybe he's gonna assassinate the CEO, and that would send it down maybe to $3. So who knows, man? But there are always trolls out there. So you guys have to realize that sometimes you just have to. I mean, you guys already know this. On YouTube, you already know there's so many trolls. You get the fake me's asking you for money. WhatsApp, text my WhatsApp for more information or whatever the hell they want, right? Whatever they're doing, man. Such a corrupt, scamming thing. I don't know how you live with yourself if you do that. Anyways, that's totally irrelevant. Bitcoin. Mara's still dropping. Well, not still, but they're dropping off the highs that they made like 5 minutes ago. He's out picking up change in a parking lot. The CEO is scared to watch your streams, I swear. What is with you and the CEO getting shot? That's a good question. My friend. I don't know. It's just funny. I just love saying the CEO gets shot in the head. I love it. Bitcoin's still getting killed. Oxygen. Wow. Everyone is panic selling. See, this is a problem with hype stocks, right? When they start going down a little bit. It's just, fear. Oh, it's going down, I should sell. A lot of people bought into this on FOMO. FOMO is always going to be around. People think, relatively, there's always going to be some amount of FOMO. It may decrease as the majority of people in the aggregate for investing get more knowledgeable and more experienced. Because, recent years we've had a huge boom in investing interest, right? That's why I'm here, because there's huge demand for the markets, the market coverage, right? All this stuff. But anyways, that's a little bit irrelevant. Anyways, let's check out how we're doing here. BNGO 3%. Microvision, JMIA still holding. All right, if we can close the day here, I'll be happy. I'll be happy. I mean, seriously. Yeah, man, stop saying that the CEO will get shot. I hope BNGO continue going up. Green candle today. Yeah, if we can close the day like this, I'll be very happy for the next few days for BIOL. We got bull, we have bull, and we want the Nasdaq. More importantly, almost the Nasdaq. We want the Nasdaq. Oh my gosh, we're still pushing. Wow. We want the Nasdaq to hold above where it is right now because we just got some really key flips for the Nasdaq. I'll go over those one more time. We got the 2-hourly SAR. Yeah, we got the 2-hourly SAR right there. We're going to have to break through this resistance where we're at right now. And we got the super trend. So we got a lot of resistances coming up. On the hourly, we have everything. We have everything on the hourly, man. It's looking amazing on the hourly chart. We got the parabolic SAR flip yesterday, and we just got the super trend flip on this hourly candle. So you love to see it. It's great right now. It's great short term. The Nasdaq is looking good according to these indicators, right? According to these indicators. I always forget to say that. JMIA kind of getting a little bit of a weakness in the price action right now. Are you talking about BNGO? I'm assuming you're talking about BNGO. Let's check this. Yep. So for 557. Yep, you are right about that, my friend. Yep, we're getting rejected. We've got resistance levels coming in right now for BIOL. Let's check the hourly for BIOL. I bet we're looking pretty good as well. We got the super trend on the hourly as well, 559. It's going to be a strong level to break out of. Let's check the 2-hourly. Let's see if we got the SAR there. We got the SAR there as well. Let's check that. Can we get the super trend on the 30-minute at least? Finally. Okay, so we have every bullish confirmation sign on the 30-minute SAR and super trend indicators. We have that. So that is good to see. Twist Biosciences is up 10%. All right, let's check them. Let's check the competitors to BioNano. Oh, yeah, they're up 9% right now. Yeah, man. PacBio, Illumina doing well. Everything's kind of hanging out in the 2 to 3% level right now. Okay, interesting. BioNano's got the most. Look at the volume difference. BioNano's got way. Look at this. It's not even close. Love it. All right, what else do we got? Let's check. You know what? I want to see Wall Street Bets if Wall Street Bets is doing anything cool today, because if they're pumping microvision right now, there's some sort of meme today. Okay, deep F and value. Okay, who can relate to this one? Oh man, let's give that bad boy an upvote. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else crazy here. All right. Oh my JMIA. Okay, looks like everything is bleeding. Wow, just like one small hit for the Nasdaq and everything goes down crazy amount. Wow, BioNano is down like 1.5% from that. Microvision is down. JMIA just got annihilated. Look at the 1-minute candles here. Look at that. Are you kidding me? Wow. Let's see how much of. Oh my gosh, that is painful. That is painful to see. Man, yeah, that is painful. All right, let's check some other stuff. What do y'all want to see? Do y'all have any questions? I like the videos. Keep up the great information you give on companies. Keep it up, brother. Thank you so much, my friend. That means a lot. High auspicious dissenT still holding BNGO stock. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am holding BNGO right now. Oh man. I'm missing so many comments. Let me scroll up here with my computer that on the left side that's about to die. If he does get shot in the head, you will be under some intense investigations. That's funny as hell. I feel like I should pin that. That's really funny. Oh man, I want to, but I also want Robbie Smith to see it. I want Robbie Smith to see the pinned comments, so I'm gonna leave that one there. That's funny as hell. Illumina main gig is short read sequencing. Yeah, they do several different things. I think they have some long read sequencing stuff as well. I think they've got multiple products. I don't know. I'm not super knowledgeable on Illumina's type of. I think they're long read sequencing though. I don't know. ETC, is that Ethereum? Is that the Ethereum, or is that something else? Is this Ethereum or not? It is, right? Yes. No. It's wait. No, I don't think it. No, it's not. Ethereum is ETH, I think. I'm not a crypto wizard. I kind of am, but I'm kind of not. I love Mora and I love Bitcoin. I love the mining process, the ledgers and everything. I've done the research, kind of due diligence on the research. The technology is so sophisticated, I barely understand it sometimes, but I understand it fairly well, I would say. Besides BNGO, I'm in ASTS, both millionaire making stocks. I don't know that one, my friend. Holding BNGO till it exceeds Illumina market cap. Its rental business is rolling. Ethereum Classic. I think that's what you mean. I can tell people have called you, warning of a BNGO crash. Just read the charts. Do not be interested. Influence. Yeah, my friend. I wouldn't really worry about that. Thanks for looking out for me. But yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, my friend, I wouldn't be adding. I wouldn't have doubled my BNGO position over the last week if I thought we were. If I was giving in to the Bears, the Robbie Smiths. No, my friends. No, I'm never going to be. I've been dealing with those people for a long time. Yeah, on the channel here. Because yeah. So we're pretty much good, I would say. I've been holding BNGO for a few months. Was thinking of selling a month ago, but caught your videos on it, man. And I knew should have held what I believe to be a great company with great future outlooks. It is the more auspicious thing to hold and add. Take some profits on when we're green. Not we're green today, but we're literally undervalued compared to yesterday at the open, right? So selling right now. The only reason I would sell right now is if you're. The only people I would recommend that to is if you don't know what you're doing and you want to get out of the market. That's the only people that should be selling right now. JMIA and microvision seeing a little bit of bounce, BioNano bouncing a little bit, markets showing out a little bit. I hope we don't get into this thing like we were earlier, where the market goes up and then our stocks go up a little bit, and then it dumps like 1%, like 0.1%, and then everything's like everything's freaking out, like the high growth. Like, oh my gosh, I hate when that happens. If anyone can remember that. Where do you see BNGO in long term? Could you maybe check out JAGX? JAGX is one I've actually had on the potential watch list for a long time. I actually traded this one like 4 months ago, maybe 5 months ago, maybe more than that. Yeah, my BioNano full outlook, my long outlook, I recommend you watch the BNGO full due diligence video, man. I recommend you skip to the YouTube chapters, go to section 22, my plan, or you can read this. It's all there. Just go to the channel. Just look up BNGO full DD. It'll come up, or just go to the channel. It's on there. Quick plug. I'm going to be really quick. Just go to the channel here. Just go to the second little playlist, must know BNGO information due diligence. 2 hours and 18 minutes. Nearly killed myself for that one. I recommend you watch that. For anyone who wants to know my long-term outlook, that's it. That's it, man. That's my long-term outlook. People crying about BNGO valuation, doesn't understand the potential of its technology. Yeah, here's the thing, man. There's a ton of all those critiques about BioNano. Oh, we're trading at a high price to earnings ratio. Price to sales is horrible. The ratio is horrible. We're overextended. We've gone up 1,000% already. There's a ton of fallacies with that, and I cover all of that in the due diligence video. They're really easy to debunk. What people don't understand is that the innovation and the reason why we actually started climbing is a very good one. It's not like we just went up 1,000% because of hype. The Sapphire system and detections and innovations and disruptiveness, that's why we went up. And I cover all of that in there, so I won't go on. I can go on a rant. I'll stop myself before I go on too long. How do you think so many people found BNGO in December? Just because of volume and some decent news, or is there more to it? That's a good question. We can do some digging on this right now, actually. So December, yeah, the volume was huge in December, and then for the start of January and then after the 4th of January, it just has been nothing since. So if we look at Google Trends here, let's see. Let me go right here. So if we go to Google Trends, we can actually look at the interest on BioNano and see if it actually correlates with the actual stock price volume. The volume, not the stock price. So basically December. So basically it actually peaked on Google. It actually peaked on January 3rd to 9th. That's where it actually peaked. So basically your question was, how do you think so many people found? Yes, it was because of volume and some decent news. But what's more important here is that we need to get this up. And you guys have heard this spiel. We need to look at the interest now. It's like we have no interest. It keeps declining. If this keeps declining, the volume is just going to more likely to keep decreasing. Like, we need to pump the interest. We're not trying to pump and dump. We're not trying to do that. We need to get this video to blow up, though. I know it's like, Brandon, we've heard it already. Come on, stop it. I know. But this is what we need to do, man. This is how we increase the interest and the volume and the stop price indirectly of BioNano in a legal, in a way that has a good cause, right? It's not like we're just trying to make money off people. No, we're just trying to get people to know about the due diligence of the company. That's all we're trying to do. So that's what we should do. And how do we do that, right? You got to pump that video. You got to pump that video, and by whatever means necessary, my friends. Hope BNGO get back to good news. Something after the earnings, like lab expansion. Yes, someone was telling me on Reddit, always right. Some member named profile name was always right. He was talking about San Diego. They're opening up another lab close to headquarters, and it's going to be doing something weird. I don't know. I asked for a link. I don't think he sent me the link, but what are you gonna? When are you gonna stop the BNGO act? The stock has too big a float to go anywhere. Pump and dump. Bro, what are you talking about? Bro, no, 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 no. We got a pump and dump person here. Oh. All right. When am I going to stop the BNGO act? It's not an act, my friend. This is a company that we believe in. We like it. We've done the due diligence. We've read and we've watched. Well, at least most of us have, and I wrote this. So we've read the 74-page due diligence. We know about the company. We know a lot more than you, I'm guessing, based on your naive comment. But we're not trying to pump and dump it, my friend. And the float. Most of BioNano's float is derived from retail investors. So if there's anyone that can actually influence the stock price, it's us, man, my friends. It's us. So that's right. That's Robbie's clone account. Oh my god, you guys are too funny. I swear to God, that is Robbie's clone account. It probably is. It probably is. Wouldn't that be so great if it actually was? I wouldn't be surprised. Pump and dumps are bad for the stock market, and BNGO is not a pump and dump. My friend, yeah, I don't know if people understand what a pump and dump is. All right, let me explain it to all the new investors out there and the people that are saying, "Oh, you're pump and dumping, Brandon. You suck." All right, so pump and dump is basically this. So a pump and dump, you have a quick run up, right? A crazy run up, and then it goes right back down to where it was or really close to it. That's a pump and dump, my friends. And also intrinsically, inherently in a pump and dump, you pump it. Some YouTuber or Reddit people post it, and they purposely sell at the top. And they re-enter at the bottom, or they don't re-enter. They sell at the top. I have not sold BioNano shares in a long time. The only shares that I have sold throughout this entire downtrend was I sold 72 shares at the peak right here, and I re-entered, and I had 400 shares, literally. So I don't know. Some people, I understand some people are not informed. Everyone makes mistakes. I'm not trying to be too harsh, but the pump and dump accusations are just absolutely idiotic. Okay, there's no other way to say it. I mean, come on. Oh, man. Is that person still commenting? What was his name? I don't even know. I'm going to laugh when this goes back to 50 cents. 50 cents? Oh my God, you are definitely Robbie. This person, Dr. Pepper, that's definitely Robbie. When is it going to go back to 50? Is it going to go soon, or what is going to happen? What's your long-term bearish thesis, man? Why are we going back to 50 cents? Like, institutional ownership is like 4%. Actually, it's not 4%. Also, we've had institutions loading up in the last few days. So we've had institutions loading up. Also, if you actually read, now I know you didn't read this because you're not informed. I can tell by your naive comments and your rudimentary comments. I already have covered institutional ownership and why it is actually a good thing in the mid to long term. Actually, in the short term, it actually is. So, yeah, institutional ownership is actually a good thing, my friend, in my opinion, because it just literally, in short, basically institutions, as we get more concrete revenue growth and more stable markets, more stable growth, safety. These are the kind of things that institutional investors value. Right now, we're all innovation and potential. And as our revenue grows, which if you read the document, you would know, our revenue is going to grow 100% year-over-year growth, almost guaranteed. More institutions are going to flood in, domino effect, flywheel effect, learning curve effect. All of these things are going to affect institutions piling in. So yeah, I'm sorry for spending so much time on you, my friend, but Dr. Pepper, I have to do it because you hurt me. You hurt my soul when you say these things, when you have no idea what you're talking about. Respectfully, my friend. Let's check out the markets though. Let's stop wasting time on Robbie's second account, right? NASDAQ is pushing again. Jumia's doing well. Jumia's rebounding. Microvision doing well. CTXR still bleeding. CTXR. Man, it's making me want to buy. Let's see. Next Tesla. Let's see what we got here. Oxygen recovering a little bit. BCRX cooling down from yesterday. I think it went big yesterday. Let's see what the earnings did here. Okay, the big miss. Let's see how bad Oxygen's miss was. Estimated. Okay, so it doesn't say there. So I hate when that happens. Yeah. Zomedica. Oh, I wish. I mean, I have been calling this one out, but I didn't cover it yesterday, so I can't really brag on it. But yeah, this was, every time it hits this level, man, that's your buy zone. I've traded this one several times. I love trading Zome. Zome is so fun to trade usually because it's so easy. This is your buy signal, and is this your sell signal? Is that the question? It largely depends on the NASDAQ. I want to actually go back to the NASDAQ because what we want for the NASDAQ is a close above where we are right now. Or a close above, or right now close like this right now. So we want to close NASDAQ. We wanted it to close 1% in the green, and if we do that, we're likely to see some bullish price action in the next few days. Yep. Yep, that's what we want. So, and why for the Robbie Smith out there and Dr. Pepper, those kind of people, they don't understand why. Basically, we're at a resistance level right now, and we're actually right above it. We are currently getting, we're currently trying to confirm the breakout. And also, if we look at the 2 hourly and the 4 hourly, I bet we might have just got some awesome confirmations and some flips here. Oh, we almost got on the 2 hourly. Oh, I hate to see that. We might get rejected perfectly there. Let's look at the 4 hourly though. Hopefully, we got some good news. Oh, we have nothing. We have nothing. It's bad. We still got a ways to go on the 4 hourly. That is for sure. Let's look at the, let's see, is there anything else we can look at here? Not really. Yeah, well, on the 2 hourly, here, let me look at the 2 hourly here. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so yeah, we did get the SAR flip. We've got a couple bullish confirmations and flips there, signs of reversal, but we still got a little ways to go. And if we could close where we are today, close 1% in the green for the NASDAQ, that is extremely bullish. That's a lot of strength. That implies a lot of strength in the price action. So BioNano, here we go. BioNano 4.5% up right now. Let's see. Did Dr. Pepper respond to anything I said? God, why is every bear? I'm going to make a video. I'm actually making a video. That's why I have it on the irrelevant section if anyone saw this at the beginning. I'm going to be making literally a whole video about trolls and bears. Because firstly, it's a great video. It's a great material. But I have to talk about these people just not responding to my rebuttals, which a little preview right now. It goes something like this. Someone says BioNano sucks. I say, why? They say it's going to 50 cents. I say, no, here's some reasons why. Did you read the document? Do you have any reasoning? Nothing. I've never heard a coherent. I've never even heard someone attempt to give a bear case on BioNano. I've just heard it's going to zero. That's not a bear case. Bear case is, hey, the institutional ownership is really low. The financials are not going to grow as much, which, of course, neither of those things are true. It's not possible to give a coherent bear case, at least not that I've seen. And, of course, I give you the bear case. There's a section in here called risks. Yeah, here you go, risks. I have risks done. I've already done this is the bear case. Risks right here, man. There's plenty of bullet points right there. I already go over this stuff, so... and I've never heard a coherent case, a bear case. Anyways, that's enough. Yeah, he's not responding now. That's fine. I don't mean to bully the haters or whatever. I appreciate them for coming on and being just sell guys, invest in real stocks like Tesla and crypto like Bitcoin. Oh, I think this is a troll now. Dr. Pepper, you understand that crypto is very overextended right now, right? I mean, I love Bitcoin long term. I'm with you. I love Bitcoin long term. Tesla is not looking as overextended, short term to mid term at least. But my friend, BioNano is we're 6%. Wow, I love how BioNano is literally running as Dr. Pepper is just saying it's going to zero. I love it. 6% up now. Let's go, boys! Congratulations to everyone who did not listen to Dr. Pepper and sold when he said to sell. Which was like when it was up 2%. Oh man, I love it. I love when the bears are they look stupid as hell because they're just trolling. Come on, we all know Dr. Pepper is not serious. Dr. Pepper has not even looked at any of this document. He has never looked up BioNano or done any due diligence at all. I don't think if he had, why is he not giving any reasons, So, and this applies to all bears. Every single BioNano bear you meet, guys, ask them why. Don't just say no, that's not going to happen. Tell them why it's not going to happen and ask them why they think we're going to go to 50 cents. They will never answer. I'm shorting BNGO. I'm shorting back to $1. Okay, this is definitely a troll. He is definitely funny. He's definitely trying to be funny. That is funny at this point. I think this is... Yeah, this is definitely a troll. Huge buy on BNGO just now. Let me check the large orders here on my phone here. Well, you know what? I'll check the large orders real quick and show it to you real quick. Large orders. Let's see if it's updating today. Okay, no. But if we look in the last 5 days, right? I hope you can see that pretty well. But we have 3 days of a huge large scale orders because institutions have been loading up, man. Institutions have been loading up on BioNano. Contrary to what Mr. Pepper would have you believe. Dr. Pepper here. $1 so I can load to the moon. Dude, I'm selling my kidneys. Oh, yeah, by the way, Chris Sane yesterday. I guess Chris Sane said in the video yesterday that he said BioNano might bottom out at $2. Apparently, I didn't see the video. Someone told me about that. And I told him, yes, I did send Simon the DD. Yes, I did. Well, I tagged him in a tweet. Yeah. So, yeah, he didn't. Oh, they did. So I tagged him, BioNano Genomics, and the CEO, Eric Holman's personal account. Or I guess it's more of his business account because he does business stuff on it. But anyways, yeah, none of them responded, I don't think. What was I saying, though? Almost 7%. BioNano is almost 7% up. Can we get to the double digits today? That would be so nice. NASDAQ still running. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's looking very good. Dr. Pepper and Robbie Smith, nowhere to be found. Oh, it's too good. It's too good. It's so fun. Oh, yeah. Chris said it might bottom out 475. Okay, well, someone told me yesterday that he said it was $2. Someone clarify that for me. Is that true? Feudus, is that a fact check? Are you a reliable source? Are you a reliable source of information? By my BNGO Nanions, my Bio Nanions, the future is bright. Yes, it is. And now, today, if we close the day anything like we are, there will be no bear comments. There will be nothing. You notice how Robbie Smith and Dr. Pepper are just trolling now? They're not even trying to be serious. When BioNano goes up, no one hates the stock. It's because this. If you go a little further and you're thinking, why do people hate BioNano? It's not because they did the due diligence like we did. If they did the due diligence, they would like it. Like us, they would be bulls because it's hard not to like BioNano once you do the due diligence. And it's nearly impossible to be bearish on BNGO long term, especially at these prices, when you do your due diligence. It's nearly impossible. So the only reason that your mind can come up with on why people are bearish on the stock is because it goes down. It's that basic human caveman psychology, epistemology. When you see a stock go down, you think it's bad. You think it's, red means bad, green means good. No. The company's success is not indicative of the stock price. Traders and investors are determining the stock price. The company itself will determine the stock price long term mostly, but short term, especially with something that's mostly innovation and potential, there's so much interpretation as to what its true value is. I mean, look at this stuff. Look at the Sapphire Deep Dive. I mean, Dr. Pepper and Robbie Smith, do you guys think they can realistically understand the Sapphire? Really? I mean, they would just give up after like 5 seconds. It's too complicated. There's too many words in here that they don't understand, right? Come on, let's be honest here. I mean, respectfully, right? I mean, you guys have brought it to yourself, so at this point, if BNGO goes to $1, I'm going to go all in on it. I've watched most of Chris Saint's video. Okay, so he said it was 475, I guess. Okay. I don't know. But I told the guy in the comments, I told him I would sell my kidneys to get shares at $2 for BioNano. I'm like, come on, who wouldn't? Let's be real. If it went back to $1, I would sell my car and go one. Honestly, at that point, it's like, okay, this is justified. All right, boys. All right, kids, I'm selling the house. Don't tell your mother. We're going all in. We're going all in on BioNano. Dude, let's celebrate one day green. Yes, I want to see, everyone should be happy right now. We finally got one day of green. And if you are a hater right now, or if you're neutral on BioNano, or you're new to the channel and you're like, does this guy know what he's talking about? Is this guy dumb as hell? What's going on here, right? Please, if you're going to consider going my route, which is me, for me, it's BioNano. It's adding on the dips, selling a little bit on the rips. That's my strategy for BioNano. And basically, most of my shares I'm going to be holding long term, right? I have leap call options. If you don't know what you're doing, if you are scared of the red, and if you're going to see red 10 days in a row and think this is a bad company, we're going to go to zero, like Robbie Smith and Dr. Pepper, right? Get out of the stock market now, and please save my time from your whining in the comments, because there's nothing more pointless to me than seeing people complain to me and try to blame me for their investing decisions. And something, if you are to that point where you're blaming me for your investing decisions, I already know you don't know what the hell you're doing. I already know you're a beginner and you have not had much experience. But I know that doesn't apply to most people. But we get Dr. Peppers, we get Robbie Smith, so that's for them. And that's mostly for when we do start going red, because even if we are going to see a big ass covenant handle, right? Even if we see that, there's still going to be red days. There's still going to be times where people are like, oh, we're red, Brandon, you said we would be green, but I didn't say that. This is for me at that time in the future to be able to say, I said this earlier, and that was your warning. So yeah, that's a nice little tangent for you. Anyways, forget about them speaking about NASDAQ. Fair enough, honestly. NASDAQ, oh my God, still pushing. Are you kidding me? See, this is why you have to look at the indicators. And I'm not trying to brag right now. Okay, let's be honest. Yesterday I said it was a really good buy zone. I'm sorry, I have to brag real quick. Yesterday, I mean, come on, you guys saw the stream yesterday, right? I said you're a fool to sell right now. We were below the Bollinger Band on the daily for the third day in a row. I said it was a great buy. Of course, I didn't know for sure. No one knows for sure. No one knows. In hindsight, yes, I was exactly right. Yes. I like to brag a little bit. I'm sorry. But the indicators were clear. And this is why you can't pay attention to the people in the comments. You can't pay attention to the people that are like, oh, we're going to go down, the NASDAQ market crash till, oh my God, so many people, for some reason, and some intelligent people that are at least somewhat intelligent that I recognize in the comments, they think we're going to have a bear market till October. You know, and I'm like, what makes you think we're in a bear market right now? We are still in the most aggressive bull market in history. Look at the freaking chart, man. Take your mindset, expand your lens expand your lens to farther than the last 5 days and look macroscopically. As long as we are above this ascending level of support, we are in the most aggressive bull market in history. There's no doubt. We are in a bull market. I don't care if we went all the way down to 13.1K. As long as we are above this level, we are objectively, factually in the most aggressive bull market in history. There's no debate. There's nothing. So the Robbie Smiths out there, they're like, oh, we're gonna get a crash. Those people are they're fucking stupid. Okay, they're retarded. All right, I'm sorry. I don't mean to be like super offensive or whatever. Okay, I don't care frankly if you're offended, but those people just be wary of those people everywhere. Okay, don't let them affect your decision making, because obviously if you would have looked at the indicators like we were doing yesterday, this is I mean, did anyone else add that on the dip yesterday? I used the rest of my buying power yesterday to load on JMIA when it was down 4 or 5% in the pre-market. Yeah, in the pre-market yesterday, I added everything else I had on JMIA. And now what? We're actually up now. Because I averaged down yesterday, I've been adding on JMIA since it was like $30 or more. What is it at now? It's at 27. But because I averaged down and did my due diligence, we're up right now. And if I wanted to, we could take profits right now and be done with it, right? Of course, I'm not really taking any profit right now just because we've got so much more room to run. But please know what you're doing. Please know what you're doing if you're not going to take profits right now. Please don't think just because Brandon's not selling, that means we're going to go higher. No, please don't try to mimic me, okay? I'm not really trying to I'm not trying to time the market necessarily right now. Just because right now we've got plenty of room to run on the NASDAQ. But let's look at some indicators. Let's see if we got the super trend flip here. Oh yes, we just got it. We just got another one, boys. I want to see some celebration. We just got the 2 hourly bullish super trend flip and the SAR. We've already got we just got the SAR and the super trend this 2 hourly candle. This is great, man. This is great. Last time we got the bullish flip here, it was a very good sign. Last time we got the bearish flip, it was horrible. It was the right signal. So there's very few false signals, right? I always throw around 75% accuracy for these indicators, and I think that's around right. So there's basically a 75% chance that we're going to continue to see green in the next few days, according to the 2 hourly super trend and SAR. Looking at the 4 hourly, let's see if we broke through the 4 hourly. That would be so good if we did. Oh, we're approaching it. So your sell signal for the NASDAQ, according on the NASDAQ, is going to be 13.84K, 849K. That's what you're going to be looking at. All right, let's see what we got. There's so much crazy stuff going on right now. BIOL is still 7%. That's awesome. Let's check the volume. Oh, the volume's not even that high right now. I mean, it is pretty high, but we need that volume to get up there, man. We could run if we had the volume. JMIA is doing well. Oh, man. Doing your due diligence pays off, man, in times like this. Yeah, JMIA was an obvious buy yesterday in the pre-market. I mean, it was obvious. There was no news that sent it down. Oh, my God. Oh, man. I feel sorry for the people that sold JMIA yesterday. Anyways, I'm getting too cocky now. God. All right, more Bitcoin doing well. I'm sorry. It feels good. It feels good when there's so many haters. I mean, I'm sure you guys know when BIOL goes down, you guys know what this shit that I go through. Okay, it's nothing. I'm very thankful for what I have. Yes, I live in America, the greatest country ever. I'm very, very thankful for this. It's amazing. I have an amazing life. But when there's haters every damn day, right? BIOL is going to zero, right? All this crap that you know is not true. It feels good when you prove them wrong, you know. And at least short term, we proved them wrong completely. I mean, come on, we proved them wrong completely short term, at least. So thank you. I want to congratulate everyone who held through, and obviously we've got 1,000. This is just the beginning of a long journey that we are going to be taking. Look at this nice, beautiful green candle. That's nice. And obviously we've been getting killed long term. I mean, I've been buying the dip on BIOL for a while. My average right now is pretty sweet. I mean, I'm down still technically, but it's pretty sweet compared to what it used to be. But if you don't know what you're doing, and if you think, oh man, I don't trust Brandon, I don't think BIOL is going to do good, I think his due diligence is flawed, sell now so you can spare me of your whining. You know, if you want to take the risk, if you want to do this, you want to ride out this journey with me, and either go to the promised land, be, you know, the glory, the money, the everything, right? You're going to get everything if I'm successful, if my synthesis is right. If it's wrong, who knows what CEO gets shot in the head, right? We delisted if you're wrong. So if you're one of those people that can't handle the risk, or you don't know what you're doing, please get out now. Save me the time. Save everyone the time, my friends. because I know most of you are not like that, but there's always people like that. There's always going to be people. I don't think it matters how many times I say that. There's always going to be people that blame me whenever BioNano doesn't go moon. There always will be, always. No, 100% of the time, and that's okay. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. I love the job. I love this. You guys can see how much I enjoy the streams. I love YouTube. I love it. Finally, your streaming doesn't make BNGO red. Oh, that's funny, man. That's funny as hell. Yeah, finally we were able, and this has been one of the funnest streams ever, right? Because we've just seen a slow push. Everything. I mean, basically, this is basically all of our stocks, basically today, just slowly increasing, right? Today, at least so far. So it's been great. It's been amazing. Yeah, so MP, did they beat? Yeah, MP beat on earnings yesterday, and they're still even on the day. It's like, what the hell is going on with MP, man? MP, oh my gosh. Man. It's a weird one. MP is a weird one. It doesn't really like, oh wow, we just did that parabolic star flip on the daily. I'd like to see that. What do you guys want to know? BNGO holding there, and Ann's mentioned doing well, 5%. JMIA, oh my god, JMIA is gone. Let's look at that 1 minute candle. Look at this. Okay, this is why you don't sell. When we got those few minutes candle that took us from green to red, basically, look at what happened after that. Are you kidding me, man? Oh my gosh. The technicals sometimes, or not the technicals, just the emotions in trading, man. You cannot give in to those. Robbie Smith, you could learn a lot from that. Price target if NASDAQ reaches 15K. Oh, that's a question that's going to hype everyone up. It's way too much. All right, price target if NASDAQ reaches 15K. Oh, all right. I'm going to assume you mean like in the next few weeks, because there's no way the NASDAQ is hitting 15K in the next few days, right? Let's just be honest. If the NASDAQ hit 15K, let me just say, I'm going to rearrange your question. If the NASDAQ broke out into all-time highs, right, and above current all-time highs, above 14.211K, if we broke out and confirmed the breakout, held there, and went higher for the next few months, I think BioNano will hit 20 well before end of year. I mean that. And that may seem crazy. It's like, Brandon, that's way too bullish. You're not going to do that. I think a couple months for 20, I don't think that's off the table. I really don't. What it's going to come down to, it's going to come down to two things. It's going to come down to the high growth sector, which is going to come back 100%. And it's going to come down to this, which I've been saying. Yeah, here we go again. Quick plug. It's going to come down to the interest and knowledge of BioNano. Like people reading this, right? We have 2 readers right now, right? People reading the due diligence that I've done, and not necessarily just mine. It's not just about my due diligence and my views and channel. No. It's about the overall BioNano interest and volume. Keyword volume interest, right? This is what BioNano needs to do it. If people can understand the Sapphire system and why this community is so bullish on BioNano, it will go to 20 far easily. We will easily see $20 end of year. There's no doubt in my mind, because it's obvious. You guys know when you guys compare BioNano's due diligence to other companies, it doesn't compare, especially at current prices. There's no comparison. BioNano is the better investment, right? Long term, at least, right? Yeah, it's volatile. Yeah, there's risk, but long term, this is basically the highest reward with a relatively low risk for the reward investment that you can get. I truly believe that. So that's a great question. I hope I answered your question, my friend. $20 is a given, yeah, this month. But don't get too bullish, my friends. It's easy to get too bullish when we're green, and we've only had one green day so far. If we close today green, for all we know, hell, we could close the day. We could close the day red, right? You never know what's going to happen, but don't be careful not to get too bullish, my friends. Just because we get one green day, but yeah, it is looking. The Nasdaq is looking very good. We got a ton of confirmations for the Nasdaq. We got a ton of them. But it looks like we might have got rejected at that SAR right there. Kind of, yeah. So yeah, now that we're above here, now what we want to see is a hold. But here, let me go to the 5-minute chart so it's easy for you. We want to see the Nasdaq bleed a little bit and bounce off of this level, and then continue making higher highs and higher lows, or at least just staying above this. That's what we want. That would be a confirmed breakout. We want to stay above that 23.6% retracement level. That's what we want. Yep, that is what we want, my friends. JMIA is going crazy. Finally, I mean, this was the easiest stock to call out that we were going to be due for a bounce for. I mean, oh my God, there's no reason why we should have been bleeding this much. There's zero reason. God damn. I mean, I'm so glad for all the JMIA people that have been hanging with me there and averaging down. Congratulations, because this has been the easiest play that I've had. I mean, look at that volume yesterday. Look at that volume. Are you kidding me? People finally were buying the dip, and we knew that was going to happen. We just didn't know when. So, yeah. All right, let's see what else we got. What else do you want? Another 20% day, 20+% day here, baby. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. But I did say earlier, I obviously, man, I've been, damn, yesterday and today, my calls have been perfect. I like to brag. I'm sorry. Hey, you got to call how it is, right? I mean, come on. During the stream today, did I not say at the beginning, I said it was very likely. I literally said straight up, it was very likely that we were going to have a nice day, a very nice day. That's what I said. I mean, you can go rewind it if you don't believe me. Please rewind the stream and go back to the start. I said it was more likely that we were going to push today. I said it was. So, we'll see, man. We'll see how we close the day. We'll see. Buying puts. What the hell? Dr. Pepper is trolling. My friend, you are funny. I'll give you that. I respect your comical nature, my friend. I respect that. But that's all I respect. Because if you're serious whatsoever, I have no respect for you. I have no respect. Want to show the viewers how the next few months typically are in the market. Sure, we can go, yeah. So basically, guys, for people that are saying, I was going over this earlier, I would just say real quick, these are the average monthly stock market returns. And we're in May right now, we're at May 7th right now. It's it's basically the start of May. This is the third best market, or fourth best month of the market on average since 1980, 2018. Of the whole year. This is the fourth best month of the market. So people are saying, oh, it's May, time to sell. No, it's not. It's not fundamentally smart to say that or correct. I mean, just look, this is the data. These are the statistics right here. We have it right here. Now, when we get into June and when we come into August and September, you better bet. You better, I mean, I'm going to be taking some profits, right? I'm going to have some more buying power ready to buy some dips. And of course, this is not the only indicator. The market is irrational. And of course, September can be the best month. Of course, these are just the average monthly stock market returns. But I'm willing to bet if you took profits on a 10-year basis, you would be better off when you take profits in July as opposed to holding through August and September, right? Take some profits, right? I'm not saying sell out completely, wait for a market crash. No, take a little bit of profit, have 10 to 50% of your portfolio in cash, right? Buying power. Get ready to buy the dips because you're likely to see them. So I hope that is illuminating for you, my friends. Microvision, very weird. Microvision is being very weird. MP's being weird as well. CTXR not doing well. JMIA is still going. Love it. Trust me, guys. Buy puts or short BNGO. You'll make thousands just like I have. This guy is just doing this for ad revenue. Dude, I don't make any ad revenue. What are you talking about? Have you seen the channel? I made less than $200. I've actually technically I made zero from YouTube. Technically. Zero, because it takes so long to freaking update or activate my AdSense account. So yeah, I don't make any money, my friend. I don't, trust me, I don't make money from ad revenue. And this is how, this is a good example. This is how you know I'm not bullshitting you guys. For people like Dr. Pepper that don't know shit about the channel, I show you my portfolio. I am in the red for BioNav. This is how you know I believe what I'm saying. When I say I'm going down with the ship, I mean it. I mean, you guys, I'm bleeding, okay? I was up 133%. On February 16th. Now I'm up 20%. Do you know why? Because I believe what I'm saying, and I'm not just saying something so I can get ad revenue. Okay, that's the dumbest shit I've ever heard. Okay, I don't get any revenue. I don't get any ad revenue. Okay, let's be honest here. Dr. Pepper, I just gave him a donation half an hour ago, and he didn't even know what it was. I doubt he wants ad revenue. Yeah, no, I don't make any money from YouTube, boys. And that doesn't even matter. That's irrelevant, because what actually matters, how you know that is just dumb and retarded, and if you think I'm just doing this for ad revenue. My friends, here are my investments. Here's my account. I'm the only YouTuber literally out there, literally, that shows you the portfolio every day. No one else does this. And the fact that Dr. Pepper here is still hating on me, as opposed to every other YouTuber that has nowhere near the damn transparency that I have, is absolutely, it's incredibly retarded and incredibly funny at the same time. True love, bird slowly. Now he's fishing to troll. Yeah, I think he's just trolling at this point. Honestly, I think he's just trying to be funny. But that last one seems a little bit, I don't know, hateful, mindlessly hateful. Anyways, Bitcoin pushing right now. Nuclear energy, if anyone cares. Nuclear energy doing well today. Penny stocks, Zomedica, BIOL. There you go, Victor, my friend. BIOL doing well. Congratulations today. You're still getting killed overall, but nonetheless, this is good news. This is good news. Temporary relief, right? If you hate it so much, Pepper, just leave. Yeah, exactly, my friend. I'm going to stop wasting so much time on that, but that was a good point. You know, I'm sure plenty of people have that thought in the back of their mind. They're like, hey, can I actually trust this YouTuber? Is this guy actually legit? What separates this guy from other YouTubers? Boom. There you go. I mean, there's no one else. I mean, yeah, it's kind of arrogant for me to keep bringing this up, but it's so true. I mean, no one else shows you their portfolio. No one else is honest like me. I mean, it's just the truth, right? It's just the truth. Come on. Oxygen still getting killed. Wow. I feel sorry for Oxygen. Can you please block Dr. Pepper? just for the fact that he's annoying other subs here. Yeah, honestly, all right, I think I'm going to go ahead and, yeah, I don't even, yeah, honestly, at this point, yeah, all right, if he does it again, I probably will. Can I, is there even an option to? Okay, yeah, there's definitely an option too. All right, yeah, so yeah, I'll do that. If Dr. Pepper keeps going on, I guess I will, because I don't want to waste any more time on him. I guess I will, maybe. Always do your due diligence, even if trusted YouTuber. Yes, my friend. Skin in the game is probably the most honest indicator a stock picker can have. It is. I mean, it is. It definitely is. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing else. I mean, you can sit up here and say whatever you want about a company, but if people don't see your investments into the company, how do you know anything they're saying is not a pump and dump? You know, that's why I don't show my portfolio just once a week, because then I could be selling, I could be buying and selling and pump and dumping. That's why I show you every day. And I can't day trade, right? Because, well, I can technically, but I can't. The PDT rule prevents me from pump and dumping, right? So yeah. Chris saying it's terrible. We are a bunch of bull riders, lol. No one here is scared of the Bears. Pepper, just go. Yeah, we've. Oh wow, Chris Sane actually. Dr. Pepper doesn't like Chris Sane. Wow. All right, he would just make another name like Booger Picker. Yeah, boys. All right, I think we've been going on for a while. I think I'm gonna end the stream sometime soon. I don't know. We'll see. If we still, let's see what the Nasdaq's doing. Did we just get a perfect bounce? No way. Did we just get a perfect bounce off that? No way. Okay, no, we didn't. I was about to say, if we came back here and started making higher highs and higher lows, that is another buy signal if we did. But right now we're consolidating. We're not even dipping. That's crazy. The amount of strength that the Nasdaq has shown today on this run is crazy. Absolutely crazy. I mean, there was some profit taking right at the open, but after that, after we got those weak hands out of there, boom. We are the most bullish BNGO chat out here. Will you ever get chat mods? I probably should. I'm gonna be honest with you though. I am very scared to work with others. I'm gonna be honest with you though, because I have a very, I don't know. I'm not gonna rant on that. Maybe I will. If you want to become, oh, by the way, quick plug. If anyone wants to become a mod on Reddit, on our Reddit thread, Discord, or is that even possible? I don't know. I don't know anything about Discord, but or chat mod. I'll be your chat mod, Brandon, Dr. Pepper. Okay, totally, my friend. I'll make you a mod. Yeah, I'm actually gonna kick you. I'll actually kick you. But yeah, if anyone does want to be a chat mod, you can email me, my friend, and make sure I recognize. Make sure you tell me your YouTube name and prove it to me somehow. I don't know, screenshot or something. Because I probably will. Honestly, at the end of the day, we're gonna need those eventually. I've been able to survive without them. TLRY, wow. TLRYs, weed stocks. Here we go. How low did these boys get? Oh my gosh, $13. I know some big YouTubers that were calling this out and saying it was a great buy at $20. Wow. But I do like TLRY as a long-term investment. Or not necessarily TLRY. I mean, I do, but the weed, the cannabis sector, easy long-term play. Easy, in my opinion. Let's check out our other plays. See, everything's kind of going sideways right now. Everything's kind of cooling off, you know, profit taking, people freaking out like, oh, is this the end? Is that a Rams hat? Yes, it is. We got the Rams hat on right now. I'm not really a football guy anymore. Don't have time anymore, but I did like the Rams when I watched it. I've been like 6 Rams games. I've been a mod on a lot of Discords in the Battlefield community. Thank you. I'm long term on BNGO. This is the most enjoyable stock stream I have watched, though. I'm so glad. My friend. I'm so glad. Planet 13 is my favorite cannabis stock. I don't even know that one. I think I've heard of it, though. I don't know. Yeah, we're the most bullish BNGO chat out here. That's honestly probably true. We are probably the most bullish. Let's be honest. If not, it's not if, but when, till we reach newer highs on BNGO. I agree. I could not agree more with that statement, my friend. Totally. I'm with you on that. Man, look at this. Look how beautiful this JMIA call is. I think I'm actually like even now. Okay, even though I'm up like 20% on the day, I'm even with the JMIA call. That's crazy. That is crazy. Man, that's how volatile options are, man. Stock goes up 6%, option goes up 22%. You got to know what you're doing. You should make a music live stream with your guitar. I am going to make that little intro we do? Okay, that probably sounded nothing like it. But the intro riff, for the video, right? You know what I'm talking about, the electric guitar? Yeah, that's me. And I'm trying to make, the audio of that kind of sucks. I tried to redo it, but I was having problems. I'm going to do a ton of different music intros, just guitar, because I'm a metalhead and screw every other music out there. But yeah, I'm gonna make more intro variety for the vids. Yeah, And I don't know about a guitar live stream. I don't think many people would like that. Let's be honest. Guitar is kind of dead nowadays. Rock and metal is dying. I was born, as far as music, I was definitely not the prime day for me because I'm a metal dude. Play that new DJ Khaled, Lil Baby, and Dirk for the boys. No, never gonna get that from me. No disrespect, my friends, but I hate the pop culture. I hate pop culture, and it's so irrelevant. Let's get back to stocks. Let's get back to stocks, boys. MP getting killed. CTXR getting killed. BNGO, everything's bleeding right now. Nasdaq is going sideways. Okay, not really doing anything. Okay, JMIA is bleeding. Everything's kind of bleeding sideways. People are right now, this is about the time where everyone is thinking, okay, should I take profits? Should I try to re-enter lower? The NASDAQ went down so much, though. We still got so much room to run. All these stocks are undervalued. That's why, for me, it's so hard for me to sell anything right now. You know, it's really hard for me to sell right now. Earnings will be the 13th of May, right, after markets close or before markets open. So it's going to be after hours. And it's going to be the 13th of May, and I've already got the video and the live stream. So if we go to my channel, what do you call it? Quick plug. If you go to the videos here, I did make the BNGO earnings day release. I got all the information there. But more importantly, BNGO earnings live. I've already got it scheduled after hours time right before 5/13, May 13th. That is what you want to set your reminder there, my friends. We're going to be covering everything. All you need to know about the earnings, I got you covered, my friends. You don't need to watch any other crappy BNGO YouTubers. No disrespect. I love them. I love the other BNGO YouTubers, but this is the one you want to be on, my friends. Let's be honest. Chris Sane just tweeted. What did he tweet? What did he tweet? Already set the reminder. Awesome, my friend. Awesome. You are a legend. How can you be fanboys when this guy has killed most people on BNGO? No reality here. Oh, Bart, my friend. All right. There are no fanboys on here. Let's be honest. There are no. Everyone hates me. Let's be honest. Everyone hates me. There are no fanboys. Also, this guy has killed most people on BNGO. No reality here. We are long-term investors, my friend. And although I've been saying anything under 10 is a steal, if you've averaged down like me, you've already had plenty of times to sell. And I always say, if you don't believe in it long term, please sell and get the hell out of here. Like when I was green on BioL, I sold 72 shares. I didn't sell much because I believe in it long term, man. The difference between you and I are you try to time the market and you may win in the short term, but I win in the long term, my friend. Time in the market beats time in the market 9 out of 10 times. And if you're a short-term trader, I'm a short-term trader too. But it's just a fact, especially with companies that are news-driven. It's impossible to time it often. Often it is. So yeah, Bart, that's just you're wrong, my friend. You're very wrong. YouTubers love to throw picks, but never admit when they're wrong. Does that apply to me, my friend? Because I admit when I'm wrong all the time. I show you my portfolio even when I'm down. I was down yesterday. My overall portfolio was down yesterday. Now we're up. I showed you yesterday. I admit when I'm wrong, my friends. What are you talking? I'm getting pissed now. People are thinking that I'm not transparent when that's my number one thing. Yes, I admit when I'm wrong, my friends. You guys already know I admit when I'm wrong. I already do. If you watch the videos, you know this. So I don't know what the hell you mean. Pop culture sucks, the infected one. Yes, pop culture is ass, I believe. Yes, I hate all pop culture, basically. I hate my generation. I hate them. Not, I shouldn't say that. That's a little strong. Dude, you don't win. I have over 1 million in the market. Lol. That is nothing. Okay, let me hear. Bart, if you can give me a rebuttal to this, then I'll say you're right and I'll respect you. But I always admit when I'm wrong. And I know you haven't watched the videos because that's the only way you would think this, but I always admit when I'm wrong, my friend. I always do. I show you my portfolio every day. I have my price targets here. I mean, if I'm wrong on something, look, I'm going to be wrong on all my May 9th price targets. Look at this. I'm going to be wrong on nearly all of these. It's almost May 9th right now. I'm going to be wrong on almost all of these price targets. Look, I called this one out. I called these ones out. I'm always admit when I'm wrong. I don't care if this goes to 0%. This is going to be like less than 50% when these are done. Are you kidding me? I admit when I'm wrong. That's like that's like the biggest thing that I get pissed about. People that don't watch the videos, then they see one little thing and they're like, oh, this guy sucks. This guy's not transparent. I started the channel to make a community that, or I started the channel to be transparent in spite because I hate other YouTubers being sucking ass. So that's just, no, man. No, it's not true. It's not true. I know I'm getting pissed right now. I'm getting worked up. Yes, that is the one thing that I will get pissed about because that's my number one thing, man. Transparency and honesty. I don't care if my stop picks are wrong. Great, that sucks. That sucks, right? I want my stop picks to be right, but transparency. That's at the end of the day. That's the one of the things, the big thing that sets the channel apart from everyone else. I'm always going to tell you the truth. I'm always going to admit when I'm wrong. I'm always going to show you the portfolio, like unlike every other YouTuber. No one else does that shit. Robbie Smith using his other YouTube accounts here today. It's Robbie on a different account. This guy's the most honest stock picker, and I work at a finance sector. Yeah, I'm sorry. I know these guys are just trolls, but I feel like there's some people that are new probably don't know what's going on. So I feel like it's important to say. I feel like it's important to say what we do here. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I do get pissed off when people say that. That's the one thing that I just get totally pissed about that. Bro, you're the best I've seen on YouTube that I know and seen online. Thank you so much, my friends. Thank you so much. Take your meds. Damn it, Robbie. Take your meds. Oh, man. Thank you so much. There's too many thank you notes that I could say right here. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. I love all of you. Thank you so much. He probably doesn't even have 1K. Oh, man. Yeah, it looks like the markets are pushing up a little bit right now. High growth. BioNano, Microvision. Look at Microvision. Let's check that 1 minute chart here. Look at that. Look at that volume coming in. Almost as big, almost matching the open volume. That's awesome. Microvision is so weird, man. Microvision is so weird. It is. I guess it's because of Wall Street bets, but it's kind of always been like this. It's always been just a weird stock as far as movement and volume. You know, don't give haters attention because they come back looking for more. That's true, but that's true. Yes, I agree with you, but also I do like to tell the people that are new and everything that I am. When people say I'm not transparent, I like to give them the reasons on why I am. But yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you, my friend. Your anger makes you stronger. I can feel it. Your anger makes you stronger. Is that a Palpatine reference? Your anger, you don't use it, right, Palpatine? I don't remember the exact line of Revenge of the Sith, but great. Revenge of the Sith is awesome. The best Star Wars movie there is. Prequels are better than the originals. Don't crucify me over that. Have you seen Dr. Dean's channel? Yes, I have. Yes, I have, and I didn't bring up. That reminds me of the whole. What was the thing that I did here? That reminds me. I added it in the miscellaneous. So Dr. Dean, someone emailed me this. Thank you all my friends here that email me the catalyst that I maybe will miss, or you think I might miss something. Email me the catalyst or SEC filings that I don't check on the day. Maybe. Thank you for all that, by the way. This is an email. Someone emailed me this. Thank you for whoever did this. I forget the name, but the VGP product here, project. Dr. Dean did a video about BioNano and PacBio, the Sapphire being used with PacBio's product to create a more accurate genome map, right? And the thing was, I think the date of the thing that he was looking at was like April 15th. And I couldn't find, and he didn't, I looked in the description, he couldn't link it, and I looked it up, there was nothing recent. So this thing, this catalyst here, he called it, I'm not hating on Dr. Dean, I actually like the guy, I actually like I like his work. But the thing he did there, I think it was not very new. He didn't claim it was new, but he kind of implies it a little bit. But yeah, this thing wasn't new that he was talking about, I believe. I could be wrong on that, but I couldn't find it. Someone send me, if there's the VGP, if there's an article out there that's like if there's an article out there about BioNano Sapphire and PacBio's product being used together, like it was like just now, someone please send it to me. I've tried to find that. Yes, I know it's legit. It was like it came out. The article came out like in April, I believe. So, Brandon, just make the Lord of the Rings BNGO meme. I bet you can make a good one with enough time and effort. Yes, I know I should, but it's either this or that. It's like, but I'll do it eventually. I will. Yeah, someone please send me that. Someone please send me the link for the VGP product, the article, if it's new, and even if it's not new, you can just send me that so I can see so we can verify it. Dr. Dean is good. I think Dr. Dean is a good person. I actually like his channel a lot compared to a lot of other my similar competition to YouTube videos, I guess you could say. But I think that was not. I don't think it was recent. So, anyways, it's good news. It's good news nonetheless. Maybe on Saturday. Yeah, I don't do live streams on Saturday, so yeah, I'm gonna try. I don't know if I can. I'm gonna try my best, John, my friend John Graham. I'm gonna try my best. Maybe. I don't know if I can. I have no idea how to do that, but I might be able to. If I can figure out the editing and YouTube crap, the audio crap, I can probably figure that out. They use it all the time together. Nature article, VGP. They are ramping from 3 reference genomes per week to 125 a week. Well, here's the thing. Here's the thing with this whole VGP product team. We already have known. We've already known. Here, let me go to Illumina here. And let me click on this article. Is the article here? Okay, so is this it right here? I think this is it. Yes. Okay, so this article, right? We've already known, mainly due to this article and just other things as well. We've already know BioNano can complement long read, short read, next generation sequencing completely. We've already known this because the Sapphire, what it does, it detects the 500 base pairs to mega base pairs and some other stuff as well. Also other stuff as well, not just that. Better than everything else. So it basically gives you it gives you a more high definition, high resolution map basically of the genome, right? And that's what the whole goal of the genome space is, to map out a genome and revolutionize healthcare because of it. That's the goal essentially. We've already known BioNano can do this. So the VGP thing, it's great. I love it. It's more exposure, but it's nothing crazy. It's nothing revolutionizing to basically what I've seen, because we've already known BioNano can be used with the Illuminas or the PABI products, whatever it is, and help it. We already know it. BioNano doesn't have to carve out a whole piece of the market for itself. It can actually just help what the Illumina and PatBios are doing. Literally, we don't even need it, and that's bullish actually, because of course we think the Sapphire 2.0 and innovations in nanonozzle is going to take Sapphire to a whole new level, right? If you read this is one of the most interesting things and cool things, because May 13th, oh man, it's going to be fun. I hope they talk about the Sapphire 2.0, because that's kind of what we want. That's really at the heart of our dreams and hopes, not dreams, but our synthesis that BioNano and Sapphire can. Its serviceable, obtainable market is going to be way higher than what it currently is, and if it does, this is going to be why. Anyways, that's a nice rant for you. Sorry, I go on rants all the time, boys. Okay, looks like everything's cooling down a little bit. Yeah, cooling down a little bit. Okay, market just took a little bit of a nosedive, small nosedive right there. Thanks, Brandon. Sure, I'll be here online. My unit in EU has a Sapphire. Seriously considering writing them an email about their thoughts. Well, do it, my friend. Load Zebit, do it, and then send me the email. Screenshot it or forward or copy and paste it, whatever. Please do that. I will make a video about it and then put a link to your social media if you do that. Yeah, do that. Do that. Please email them. Ask them what they think about the Sapphire. Do that, and then email me. Get in touch with me, my friend. That would be great information. That'd be great information. Exactly. They're not directly rivaling the PacBio. And my email is this. Sorry, I should have told you my email. I assume everyone watches the end part. My email. Oh, I don't even have it here. It's auspiciousbusiness here. I'll write it down for you. It's in the description actually. auspiciousbusiness@yahoo.com. That's the email. There you go. Okay. Here, let me go ahead and take this down a little bit. Yeah, auspiciousbusiness@yahoo.com. That's the email. So email me that. So yeah, get in touch with me there, my friend. What do you think about IDEX, Brandon? Do you think BioNano will go back to 550 or below, trying to load up? Ooh, that's good. Oh, you should have loaded up yesterday, my friend. Should have watched the stream yesterday and loaded up. I was calling it out. We were calling it out. But will we see 550 or below again? We definitely can. I think it's going to be right now from this point on. I think it's actually more likely we're going to be able to see in real time if I keep streaming. If we're going to be able to keep streaming here, but as long as the Nasdaq confirms this is a new support and we get a bounce at some point in this level here, hopefully right here, this was the previous rejection point, perfect rejection right there at 13.771K. Hopefully we can come back there, strong bounce, higher highs and higher lows. That's what we can do. So because of that fact, right, because the Nasdaq is so bullish short term and midterm right now, in my opinion, I don't know if it's very likely that BioNano is going to see much lower. I don't know if that's very likely at this point. Are you going to bet on that? Here, I'll tell you this. It's better to get into BioNano now. No, okay, please hear me out before you go life savings. And it's better, but this is the truth here. It's better to buy BioNano around where it's at right now and hold the bag for a little bit if we go down, than the other option, which is wait for a dip. Never get a dip. BioNano goes to the moon in a month from now and never really slows down. So you have to weigh your options, my friends. You have to, and remember for BioNano, you guys may remember this. Okay, I'm not opposed to adding BioNano right now. I said I was going to do some live trades earlier. Maybe I'll add some BioNano here in a little bit, but anything under 10 is a steal for long term for BioNano in my mind. So remember that, boys. I hope that answers your question. Do you think BNGO will enter the genome editing market? Yes, I think that is. I shouldn't say yes, but there is certainly a chance, my friend. This is why Sapphire 2.0 and innovate. That's the key word. Innovate. Screw the Sapphire 2.0. That's amazing. We love the Sapphire 2.0, but innovations. All right. Optical genome mapping, according to the CEO, is the space in the genome space, right? As opposed to long read, short read, next generation sequencing, all that crap. Innovation. Optical genome mapping. Basically, according to the CEO, the next big wave, this is basically a direct quote. I think it is a direct quote, but I could be remembering it wrong, so I'll give a disclaimer. Maybe not. But he says, paraphrase at least, at the worst, paraphrase. The next big wave of biology is going to derive from optical genome mapping. The next big wave of innovation in biology is going to be from optical genome mapping. That's according to the CEO. That's according to a presentation in the earnings report. Andy said it before as well, I think. So I think that's enough there to tell you that there's markets that are not, that I don't even have listed. I forgot some markets right here. I forgot to say tumors, I think. I knew I would forget some stuff on the due diligence, even though it was 74 pages. And the one thing I forgot, I think, was tumors, right? I did put miscellaneous. Of course, that covers a lot of it. But there's, here, oh, does it have it in here? Okay, never mind. So I did have it. Never mind. That's a humble brag. Soil tumor research. So I did have that. But there's things in here that we don't even know about, bro. Seriously. So, yeah, I hope that answers your question. Make sure you have a seat when the music stops. Lowell, listen to yourself. We're up 571. Ha 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 ha. Microvision. Oh. Microvision is gone. Microvision is gone. Let's go. See, it's such a weird. Oh my gosh, look at that volume. Are you kidding? Look at that volume, man. Is this Wall Street Bets? Let's check the Reddit. Let's see if there's any. Well, let's see if there's any news on here. I doubt it though, because they're so late. Nope, there's not. Yeah, let's check the Reddit. Let's check Reddit to see if there's any. To see if there's anything going on in the Microvision, if any news or anything, or Wall Street Bets. Let's see. Let's check here. See if there's anything crazy that we can catch up to right now. Microvision is a scam, bro. Robbie, what? Oh, Robbie Smith is back. Oh my gosh, Robbie Smith is back. I did not even realize it. Yay, he's back. My friend, respect to you for actually coming in when you're completely wrong. Yeah, so you said, I'm going to hold you to this, my friend, because you're still, I guess you're still trying to be, the mindlessly hating, which is fine. You can do what you want. Your prediction here, I want everyone to know this. Also, Robbie, check the pinned comment, my friend. But Robbie Smith here, our friend Robbie Smith, he predicted that BioNano is going to be $3 flat, $3 a share by May 21st. We've got 13, 14 days till that. Right now we're at 568, so it would take nearly a 50% drop off from current prices for BioNano for that to happen. So Robbie, if you're gonna assassinate the CEO, which you have not denied yet, which is peculiar, but unless you're gonna assassinate the CEO, I don't see BioNano hitting $3 a share in 14 days. If we did hit $3 a share, I'd be selling my kidneys, going all in, selling the house without the wife knowing. You know what I mean? Just going all in. You know what I mean? Need someone to tuck you in, Robbie. Yeah, Robbie, can you admit your fault, my friend? I would respect you a lot right now if you just admitted that you were trolling or whatever, or you were basing on emotion or whatever the hell you were thinking. I don't know if you were thinking at all when you said BioNano would hit $3. You probably weren't, but I'll give you the benefit of the doubt there and hope that you're going to be transparent there. Already at oversold levels. BNGO will run into earnings, then dump to $3. What the? Robbie has like 5 accounts open right now, just hating on all of them, sweating. He's sweating right now. FBI has entered the chat. Oh my God, you are too feudious. All right. I want to pin that, but no one would know the context. It would be so confusing, so I'm not going to pin it. If the CEO did die, who's to say they wouldn't get a better one? Well, that's true. But every time the management leaves, most of the time, everyone's just like, sell. Robbie Smiths of the world are like, oh my God, it's going to zero. Sell, shorts, puts, and the fear is really easy because there's so many people that don't do their due diligence. Like our little crowd here, most of us know what the hell we're doing, and we do the due diligence, and I know that because no one sold yesterday, or at least I think no one sold, right? Most people were adding, like me, for BioNano and JMIA yesterday, but yeah, people who are just don't listen to Robbie Smith, okay? Just don't listen to him. Do you think we will hit all-time highs this month? Whoa. Okay, but this is what I was talking about with the too bullish. Okay, yes, BioNano is running right now. Yes, we did good. We called this perfectly yesterday. Yes, but then again, we've been adding on the way down. Okay, so we have not been perfect. We've been good. We held through. We're good, but we're not gonna hit all-time highs this month, most likely, my friend. I would not say 100%. I mean, you think we're gonna go up 200% from here? 200% this month. I mean, yeah, we certainly can. I wouldn't be surprised. Honestly, I would not be surprised just because, you guys have seen my plan, but it's not likely. Okay. It's very unlikely that we're going to see all-time highs this month for BNGO. Okay. So I have to break it to you, but yesterday and today, BNGO put in 1,005. Thank you. Good, dude. Congratulations. I want to say congratulations to everyone who actually added shares yesterday and was listening to my NASDAQ statements. Thank you. Congratulations, everyone. And congratulations to everyone who did not listen to Robbie. Because if you would have listened to Robbie, you would have lost thousands of dollars today. Just today and yesterday. So he was buying puts and shorting or whatever he was saying. So, yeah, I'm sure. I think Robbie, at this point, I honestly just think Robbie's a troll because he's not being serious anymore, and I guess he's not bearish anymore. Robbie, are you still bearish? Robbie Smith, are we still going to see $3 according to you by May 21st? Oh yeah. By the way, you said you would give me $1,000 if we didn't. So I mean, I know you're trolling because I mean, come on. I know you're trolling because you wouldn't actually say that if you were serious. BNGO going to help a lot of people, including COVID research. Yeah, COVID. I'm not actually huge. I'm not really that bullish on the COVID research segment of BioNano. Actually, to be honest with you, but because it's not something that's going to be going on forever. I think that market is going to be okay once we cure it. The market's going to be basically nothing. But it could, and that speaks to BioNano's versatility in the total addressable market, which the CEO said it was like $3 billion. Yes, that's a lot. And remember, total addressable market is the total revenue and money and demand in the wide, non-specific niche and market that you are in, that your product and company falls into. So that's a lot. Okay, look, well, perfect timing. Okay, total addressable market according to these guys. 2.6 to 3.8 billion. So that's the maximum amount of money that the genome space, the demand is for a year and yearly, right? That's a lot of money, but I honestly think it's higher than this. I mean, it's higher than this. Let's be honest, guys. Yeah, the genome sector is yes, there's a lot of demand there, but let's be honest. The whole medical everything in healthcare. That is the true market for BioNano. When we talk about revolutionizing healthcare, when we talk about the markets here, right? If we go up here, bonus. Let's see if I can get some good ones here. Right here. Undiagnosed genetic disorders. How do you pronounce hematologic malignancies? Okay, I pronounced that right. Usually I say malignancies. Now it's malignancies, I believe. Sorry for mispronouncing that before, but anyways. The markets here, the whole healthcare and Medicare space, and the healthcare itself, that is the market that BioNano can potentially disrupt. And the market for that is much higher than 2.6 to 3.8 billion. You better believe that, my friends. The question is, how much of that will the serviceable obtainable market of BioNano increase, which just means the realistic amount of annually recurring revenue that we can get, realistically based on the products and services, not the total demand. So it looks like everything's kind of bleeding right now. Nasdaq is about to touch about to try to confirm the support. Okay, never mind. Every time we start heading down to the support here, we just keep pushing. And I wanted to just get out of the way just so we can confirm this and then just start making higher highs and higher lows so I can not start worrying, so I can stop worrying. You should make a song about Robbie. Honestly, that'd be funny. In a few years, everyone will have their DNA info. Yes. Man, there's so many. There's more. Even though $3 billion is a lot of money yearly, do you know BioNano's market cap, if they were making even $1 billion in revenue every year? Do you know how crazy that would be? That would be absolutely insane. I mean, malignancies. Yeah, malignancies. I think that's how you pronounce it. Yeah. I think so, right? Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, the market is huge. The market is absolutely humongous. Nasdaq, oh my gosh, can you either go or go down so we can see? I'm so nervous when it's just consolidating sideways, which is actually more bullish than confirming, but I would like a confirmation, Microvision looks like a decent break out of a bullfight. Howard, perspective, Robbie is more profitable than you are. Is he? Because he was shorting yesterday. My friend Howard, I don't think you are right on that. He was shorting and buying puts yesterday. So, I don't know about that one, Howard. Don't know about that. Jimmy is doing well. Microvision. Oh, yeah, by the way, right when Robbie Smith was saying Microvision was a scam, wasn't that like right about when we started soaring like 3% on the day? Isn't that right? Howard, what do you think? Howard is back. Howard, what do you think about BioNano at current prices, my friend? You used to be a bear. Now you're like, I don't know, you're like kind of bearish now. You're mostly cool, but not really with comments like that. It's like, wait a second. I don't know. Howard, you like flip back and forth between being respectable and not. It seems like to me, I don't mean that in a harsh way. But yeah, I'm going to end the stream pretty soon here, boys. God, how long have we been going? How long have we been streaming here, man? It feels like forever. But it's very fun. I enjoy it, though. Bitcoin is cooling off a little bit. Let's check Oxygen. Okay, Oxygen finally recovering. Look at that. There's the bottom there, potentially. Let's see here. Howard is delusional. Yeah, well, that statement was certainly delusional. It's like the rock bounce on water. Thank you again for streaming. Yeah, thank you all so much for being here, man. Such a fun day. I need to poop. Yeah, honestly. At this point, it's like, yeah, it's getting to that point. Not for me right now, but honestly, I don't know. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. You've been streaming around 2 hours. Did we start around 8? Yeah, I think we did. Somewhere around there. 8:15 or something. 8:10. I follow the price action only. I never marry a stock. My friend Howard, come on, man. We've been through this. Yes, of course, taking profits is fine. I've said during the stream like 5 times. I've said you can take profits if you don't believe in the company long term. Take profits, sure, do it. So, you know, I'm with you, my friend. I don't marry a stock either. I recognize that you cannot let your emotions get into a stock, right? BioNano is the one you probably think I'm married to, right? I just took profits on BioNano like 2 weeks ago, man. I took some profits on them and I re-entered lower. So that's proof for you I'm not married to the stock. So you probably didn't know that, respectfully. Hey, Brandon, I love the long streams. I have so much fun. Thank you so much for all you do. Thank you as well, my friend. Thanks, Brandon. Thank you. You are so welcome, my friends. Hey, what was the size of that last buy? For what stock, my friend? What stock? They don't have the, I don't think they have, okay, order flow. What the, okay, wait, is this the right chart here? What the hell? Oh, that's from Microvision. Okay, I was confused. I thought we were on BNGO for a second. Yeah, no, they don't have, there's not really a good way that we can look for the actual filled orders on the, besides the level 2 data on Webull here on the desktop. Thank you so much. All right, boys, I'm going to do some quick plugs. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm tired as hell and I'm hungry as hell, so I'm going to end the stream here in a second here, and we're going to get out of here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone. And last questions. Any questions you guys want? Anything? Any other questions? If you think I'm faking, if whatever the hell, if you think I'm not transparent. I don't know why even today when market is green, everyone thinks I'm faking, which I had to prove. Yes, I show my portfolio. Yes, I admit when I'm wrong. Yes, I'm down on BNGO. Yes, this is all true. Like, okay, any last minute questions though? If that is Howard's picture, he looks like he belongs in an old folks home. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of thought that before as well, but not to be rude. Howard, you are a respectable man, I believe, based on your previous comments. But now you're like, you know. Thank you so much, MP. Thank you, Samuel, as well. Will you be streaming Monday opening? I will be streaming Sunday and Monday. Yes, I love doing the Monday opening. Honestly, I think I just might do. How do you check short interest? Most of websites ask for subscriptions. So one really good way to check short interest is fentel.io. Just go to whatever stock. Okay, let's do BNGO because that's what we do every time, right? BNGO is all we do. Let's be honest. BNGO is the success of the channel, if you consider the success, which is hard to say, right? Short interest right here. There you go. Boom. You got the short volume also on fentel.io or FinViz. Here, FinViz is probably more simple actually. Let me just go to FinViz. FinViz shows the actual short interest of the float. Here, let me go to, and on the Webull app, you can see the short interest as well in like a little chart pattern, so that's pretty well as well. So the short flow right now at 10% of the flow has been sold short and not covered yet, according to FinViz, of course. So yeah, there you go. That's how you check short interest. I hope that answers your question. I have a question. How are you such a great YouTuber? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Howard. Thank you. All right, boys. All right, it's plug time. Leave now if you've got better things to do. We're gonna do the plugs. We are gonna do the best, your favorite time, the plug section, the best time of all. I feel sorry for the people that joined just right now because this is the love the content, brother. You deserve more followers. Appreciate all your hard work. Thank you so much. I love all y'all. Thank you so much. Do you plan on a technical analysis video setting support and resistance Fibonacci level? I have okay. This is a good plug as well. This is a question, but it's also a plug, so it's perfect. It's like the ideal best of both worlds. So basically, if you go down here, if you go to the playlist here, or you can just click the playlist right here. Auspicious technical analysis. Yeah, I'm going to be making more simplified videos, more of these coming up, but these are amazing videos, man. I put a lot of work into these. I mean, they were pretty easy to make because it's just me showing you how to do stuff that's like really easy to do. For beginners, they're not easy. It's complicated, but it's also not that complicated. But yeah, these are the technical analysis indicators. These will help you if you are a beginner in technicals, and I'll do tutorials for support and resistance, Fibonacci levels. I'm going to do 1,000. There's like 1,000 videos that I have planned right now. I don't think I'm ever going to run out of video ideas because before I die, I'll never be able to get to all of them. There's so many things in technical analysis, and fundamental analysis. We're gonna do a series on how to do due diligence as well, and how I made this. You know, I mean, it's pretty easy. I mean, you can just look at the sections right here. But yeah. They said the FDA approval wouldn't affect stock prices, but I think it would be a short squeeze if it's approved these days. Yes. So when I say the FDA approval is not needed, but it could help. I agree. I mean, yeah, it could give some more interest into the stock, which would be nice, but it shouldn't. Fundamentally, there's no reason why BioNano needs FDA approval. Really, there's really nothing. So we need to pump your channel. I totally agree, my friend. I totally agree, my friend. But I'm very successful. I'm very thankful for what I have. We've had a great run this far. And even if the channel dies and BioNano gets delisted, we've had a great run right now up to this point, and I'm very thankful for everything we've had. If you can, could you check the chart I posted above? Would appreciate the second thought. Oh, boy. Okay, All right, let me scroll up here. Chart you posted above. What are you talking about, my friend? There's no chart here. You can't. What? I'm confused. The technical analysis videos are pretty good. All right, boys, I'm gonna do this. All right, here we go. If you have a question here, if you could check the chart I posted above, you can email me that. I didn't get any chart above in the live chat, my friend. I don't know if you commented or something, but relevant information in regards to the title has finished now. Please feel free to click off, my friends. What do we do now? This is what you do. If you like what we've been saying, pump the channel. This is how you pump the channel. Click on this video, share it, like it. Literally just spam the comments. Literally just do that and then comment. Boom, like okay, just like that. Boom, just like that's how you pump this video. Share it to everyone. Spam the link. Literally just copy and paste this. Just send it to all your friends and your people that you hate that you've never texted before. That's actually what I've done before. I've done that. Twitter, Facebook, everything you could think of, man. Everything you can think of. That's how you pump the channel. That's the best way. Trolls and bears. I'm gonna make a video on the trolls and bears. So yeah, I'm going to make a video explaining why these guys are just retarded most of the times. I'm going to be addressing some legitimate concerns. People thinking I'm leading people off a cliff or I'm, whatever the hell they think. Hey, they're not legitimate, let's be honest. But also video types. God, why did I do this? I forgot what I put this down there for. Anyways, I think it was all right. So if we go to the channel here, I think it's okay. Do you guys like the whole is BNGO's low institutional ownership a cause for concern? Do you guys like the little snippet videos of the due diligence here? I like them as far as because they all kind of will drive traffic, at least a little bit of traffic to the parent video, the big one, the Big Daddy video right there, the 2 hour 18, which is that's the video that the channel's hopes essentially are on, I guess, in a way. So do you guys like? Let me know if you guys like those. Auspiciousbusiness.com. That's the email. If you want to help me out in any way, guys, this is how you do it. Twitter, Reddit, Discord. Just watch the videos, pump videos, share it. That's how you can support without any money. Most of the check the description. Also, everyone, I don't think many people do this. Check the description of any video. Right, there's so many great. If anyone wants free money, by the way, if anyone doesn't use Webull for some reason, that's the broker that I use. That's the one that I'm using for the technicals. Check the description. You've got free stocks. You've got the full DD. You got the channel membership, Auspicious website. You got my sick website that looks good. It does. Merch, Patreon. You got everything there. So yeah. Anyways, I've ranted enough. I've taken up enough of your time. Thank you. If anyone has watched this whole thing, oh my God, I feel sorry for you, but I also love you at the same time because this is boring. I know I'm boring. I'm bad. Yes. I do my best. Anyways, yeah, man. This is not financial advice. Thank y'all so much, man. Always seeing BNGO green. Is it a dream? I think everything's bleeding right now. Yeah, everything's bleeding right as we stop. Everything's bleeding for some reason. But yeah, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, MP's getting killed right now. We'll see how we close. I will let y'all know tonight with the BNGO video. But yeah, this is not financial advice, man. Thank y'all so much. I will see y'all in the next one. All right, man. See y'all. Peace out.